Item 20, 41, 42 to 48, 49 to 53.
51.
Item 50 kindly take me one, sir.
59,
59.
55. Yes.
Item 51, Your Lordship, may kindly taken to accept.
15,
51.
51. 50 and 51. Yes.
54 to 60, 61 to 63,
My lord, 61 kindly taken to accept.
63.
Yes. Put it then now. 1 week after, 2 weeks. 7th. 7th.
Here, one thing, middle matter, CRLP 1505, I think is not your lordship's assignment. That may be deleted.
CRLMP.
CRLP 1505 of 2016. I'm told that is not your lordship's assignment.
CRLMPs are there, no? You confirm it. If it is not there, delete. Okay. We'll confirm it and delete.
Madam, if it is there, okay.
May I please your lordship, my lord, with due permission, my lord, one modification order of your lordships, my lord, may kindly be, I filed today memo, my lord, may kindly be fixed date, my lord.
Okay.
Modification.
Give.
Page mentioned.
Yes.
Item 64 to 68,
68, my lord, one who capture me taken up. And Your Lordship.
60. Okay.
69 to 71,
70, my lord. The mediation is pending on 17 to 25, my lord.
Mediation process is still going on. Everything. Yes.
Entry model shall continue.
Entry model. Yes.
Oblige.
72 to 77, 78 to 80.
I will pardon my lord.
Yes.
Yesterday, your lordship had this matter relating to placement of the order of a cognizance and enter criminal proceeding. As the marriage between the petitioner and the opposite party number 2 has been dissolved by virtue of mutual consent, the continuance of criminal proceeding will lead to abuse of the prosecution court and miscarriage of justice. On hearing, your lordship was pleased to direct us to take up this matter as a first case. And so far as wife is concerned,
Which matter you?
Item 54.
I'll take it up. What is the problem? I'll take it up now, right now.
husband is the present matter.
What about the wife?
My lord, wife is present as my lord had directed. She is present on video
First,
conference.
54, you take it up.
54.
Yes, I'll take it up. Yes. I thought you are saying something.
My lord, may I pardon my lord? This is the year-old case matter CLMC 3720/22. I have given so many memos, but it had not
Every day, if you give memo, what will I do?
not listed.
Give your memo.
Kindly, Kali ho ki Monday ho, do not list kar do sorry on the case matter.
Sabu matter sorry you. Yes. Yes. Item 54.
It's a case related to quashing of the criminal proceeding against the petitioner.
Yes.
There is no allegation against the present petitioner so far as money transaction is concerned, my lord. Your lordship may kindly see the FIR and Annexure 1.
What is the stage?
Now, trial has not yet commenced. Recently, charge sheet has been filed, my lord.
Where is the charge sheet?
Charge sheet. Charge sheet, no, charge sheet has not been filed, my lord.
The investigation is going on.
Yes.
So let it go on. Why have you come at this stage?
My lord, this is arising out a complaint petition, my lord. And the
You say FIR is there.
yes.
There is an FIR.
Subsequently, it has been registered as FIR, and the petitioner is a student, my lord. He's
No, what happened to this FIR? I'm asking about. You are thinking quashing of what? FIR only.
passing up the FIR because after Your Lordship may kindly see paragraph 7 of the
You
petition.
just tell me whether you are seeking quashing of the FIR.
Yes, my lord. Quashing of the
What is this complaint then? What is this complaint? Annex 2 and 3.
This is a complaint petition and against the branch manager of the bank and father of the petitioner and the petitioner. Petitioner is a student.
1 minute. I think you are confused. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Huh.
If the complainant has, there is a transaction in the bank, but then she was filed a complaint petition that there was a fraud in anything in that complaint case. This petition, this accused persons, their claim is that account is fraud, that transaction is fraud. But now FIR has been lodged by Sri Enterprises, matter against this petition that they have your lordship page 16 your lordship
Yes.
petition.
Yes. Yes.
Paragraph 2.
Hmm.
Introduce himself as he is the permanent resident of so and so. He is working in main branch. He will help him to getting loan from Bank of Baroda main branch. And as the complainant have its GST number, he can easily get the loan as his father is working at the GST bank. Thereafter, my lord, money transaction is there, and that is page 17. He wrote something kind of. So now at the stage of investigation.
I can't interfere in this stage.
Your Lordship may kindly see
There are money
paragraph,
transaction, there are.
paragraph 7, my lord. Paragraph 7 of the application.
Yes.
It is relevant to mention that the IO during investigation ascertained that a conspiracy has been hatched by the branch manager, Mr. Rajendra Kumar Behera, field officer, Mr. Sibaram Sahu, and it
How
was
do you know
found that
investigation is going on? Where the IO has said? He told you.
no, my lord.
Then?
Investigation,
Charge sheet has not been filed. And how do you know the IO has said like this?
because during the
During what?
during bail, the petition is on bail, and investigation.
Then the closure report may be filed. If the IO says that nothing has happened, he may file a closure report.
No,
Why are you preempting it?
So far as petitioner is concerned, I pray that the criminal proceedings should be passed because there is no allegation against the present
Investigation is going
petitioner.
on, sir. I just wait for some time right now. The petitioner is seeking quashing of the FIR PS case number so on so on so on. So
My lord is a very brilliant student, NIT student.
That's right.
For his career will be ruined. For that reason, we have come.
No, that's right. But the allegation are there and investigation is going on. That's the whole
Due to
difficulty.
some mistakes, my lord is suffering.
But
He
mistake
is
is there.
a NIT student posted in Bangalore or somewhere else. He is unwell. So I want a lenient view may be taken into the
I mean,
matter.
he is correct there. 21-year-old.
21 year, bright career.
He has. He doesn't have.
He
a
has
case,
not
but the
committed
problem
murder
is-
or not committed any offense.
No, he's committed offense or not. That I will not.
I admit. For that,
But the
he
only
was-
thing is, he's a very young boy.
My lord,
He's ruined his career.
For
I'll
that
just
he-
issue notice. Let us see.
my lord.
Let us see. Okay. See, this should be the real argument.
No,
Instead of going into merit, in the merit you won't succeed.
No, it is my lord, lordship's conscience.
Yes, I understand. Yes. Issue notice, call for CDR, call for, don't write anything. Let me see. If anything can happen, we'll do. Yes.
Item 4.
On item 4, there are two matters before your lordship. One, on my prayer, your lordship had adjourned that the parties has filed a affidavit in the court below. Your lordship directed me that both the parties should appear. Well, he is not cooperating. Your lordship may record that and dispose of my first application because he is not cooperating.
No, I have to yet to get you. What
Well,
exactly
here-
has happened?
My lord, offense, your lordship.
There are two petitions.
Yes, my lord, I am concerned with CRLMC 3956 of 24.
Okay. What happened here?
Here,
Hmm.
the offense alleged against the present petitioners, your lordship will see, is.
But notice was never issued.
No, this other side filed Vokalatnama. There is a counsel appearing. Mr. Padhi is appearing. Thereafter, your lordship directed, after hearing me, your lordship directed, because there is a stay in the criminal division, because against the framing of charge, they had come up in criminal division. Their discharge petition was rejected. Stay order was there. The learned court below, your lordship may kindly see that order.
Who are you?
Well, we are the petitioners,
No,
accused persons.
You are accused.
Yes, your lordship may kindly see the order. My lord, at page 39, your lordship may kindly see.
39. Yes.
Accused are, your lordship has got it. Accused are absent but allowed to be represented under 317 CRPC for today only. Copy of the petition dated such and such served on special PP Baleshwar. Third, private prosecution is directed to assist the special PP Baleshwar. No status report is filed by the accused petitioner. Petitioner is directed to supply up-to-date status in IA number 93 of 20. Awaiting draft of, well, it should be awaiting order. It should
Yes.
draft has been of criminal division 65 of 2020.
Yes.
Well, the criminal division, there is a stay passed by your lordships.
Criminal revision is filed by you only.
Yes,
Yes.
filed by the state.
yes. My lunch sister is appearing in that criminal. There is a stay regarding the refusal to discharge. Because, and in the court below,
Then in the first item, you may withdraw it.
my lord, withdraw, your lordship knows nowadays the problem. My lord, he has filed an affidavit at page 42.
What are you challenging in the
On the ground that party, there was an affidavit filed in the court below that I don't want to proceed with the case by the complainant. The court below refused to took up the matter because there is a stay in the revision petition. So I filed for it.
What I'll do is I'll vacate the stay, dispose of everything, and go on. Let the
Yes.
court call.
Yes, that will do.
Milord, in second case, I pray 1 week only
Madam,
adjournment. Milord.
try to understand. Try to understand. What are the offences?
My lord, it is 294, 341, 323, 294, 34.
See,
Actually,
now what had happened is in the first item,
yes,
see, he has moved. Where is that application?
the affidavit.
No, the application which you have filed in trial court?
Yeah, that's an affidavit at page 42.
No. Copy of petition 19 to 2024. What is that petition?
Well, that petition,
You just see, come to page 39.
yes,
And you seems to have moved an application on 19 to
it
2024.
was not by me. It was by the complainant himself.
Where is that application?
Yes, page 42.
42. Yes. 42. Okay, 42. 30,
Page 41, my lord.
41. Okay. What does he want?
He wants a permission to engage private.
You are may enough to accept the petition under 301 CRPC, which the informant filed through advocate.
He wanted to engage private counsel and also filed an affidavit at page 42 that he doesn't want to proceed with the case.
Okay.
But the learned,
This application could not be heard because of the
yes. And seeing that your lordship were kind enough to direct the parties come here, I can quash it. But thereafter, they are not responding. Take a call.
Then what I'll do is I'll dispose of both the petitions.
Yes,
Vacate the stay. Let the trial court take the call on this application.
absolutely, madam. That will do. madam.
Milord, kindly next week only. My senior will agree this matter. Kindly.
Yes,
No,
I'm
I
trying to
think
do something in your favor only. I'm not passing in order against. Can I pass it over? Just ask you who is your senior?
Manoj Kumar Pati.
Just ask him. I'll just pass over. Right?
My lord, your lordship may dispose of my first application.
Both
because
the things.
He's not coming. My lord, why should I
No,
disturb
no,
your
try to
lordship?
efficient. Let us put to an end to the entire thing. Both the petition I can dispose of, saying that the application pending before the trial court will decide the application, and without prejudice to the right.
Yes,
Milord,
I'll dispose it up so that the complainant has already said that I'm not
Yes.
willing to continue.
but he's not coming here. So, my lord, my hands are tied.
Milord, I got information and today that informant is hospitalized. So that I pay.
My lord, let her petition be kept pending. Your lordship may dispose of my
I'll
application.
put it next
So,
to both the things. That's the best way, I tell you.
Yeah, sure.
Both the things I'll dispose of so that things will next week, huh? Next week.
My lord, can it be after Wednesday? To third and fourth, there are two election cases. I
Okay.
will difficult.
Wednesday.
5 तारीख 5 तारीख
ठीक है?
5th month.
And get instruction what I have asked you, same thing you just tell, and you also speak to it.
Entry
I can entry model continue, yes.
Intermodal in the revision. In my case, there is no intermodal.
Yes. I can dispose of both the petitions
Yes.
and relegate you to the trial court, to the application which is pending, that will be decided by trial court. Then the entire case is over.
Well, then they will come there and that
Ah.
is closed. Because due to pendency of the revision, the learned trial court is unable to take up.
I know, yes. Yes.
Wait for quashing of a fair my lord under annexure 1. The petitioner is the wife, my lord. Lost FIR against the husband, my lord. 3 FIR has been lost, my lord.
Yes.
And issued notice to the.
Notice to the opposite
Yes.
party number 2, that is sufficient, my lord.
Sufficient. Let us wait. I'll just pass over. He may come. Yes, next.
Lordship, item 6, may I please? Lordship, as per Lordship's order, the petitioner has deposited the rest of the amount, that is 4,50,000 rupees,
Yes,
which
we-
has been annexed in Annex 5 series, days 57, 58, my lord. Within 2 months,
How much you have deposited?
total money, has been given as a draft.
Who is appearing for opposite side? Opposite party.
Lordship,
What are you seeking? Quashing?
Lordship, on the earlier occasion, Lordship said that if the total money is deposited, paid back, then the proceeding Lordship would was. Lordship also said that.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. He was not registered the.
There was an agreement, my lord.
There is an agreement. Without registering, he has taken everything one. For
Yes.
which he has lodged the FIR.
Who is appearing for opposite side?
Unless he is appeared.
Service is complete?
It has not been issued.
No, notice is not gone, my lord.
Okay, issue notice to opposite party written within land counsel for the petitioner submits that he has already deposited the disputed amount before the court below. Where have you deposited?
Here, my lord.
And disputed amount, he
No,
has
no.
already deposited
No,
the
just
disputed
a
amount
moment,
of
my lord.
50 rupees,
My lord,
4,50,000. Isn't it?
yes, I'm to ascertain where he has deposited, just.
Shape of bank draft, so and so, to 1, Sujit Kumar Naik.
Yes, it's
And
not
it is,
mentioned the place, in fact.
The counsel for the petitioner submits that he has already paid 4,50,000 by way of bank draft to Surajit Kumar Naik, the son of the informant. Informant in GR case number 574 of 2023. 2023. Issue notice to opposite party number 2 and 3. In the meantime, proceeding before so and so. Where is the proceeding pending?
Pending, my lord, pending in the court of
Banpur.
Proceeding pending before JMFC Banpur in GR case number 574 of 2023 is stayed till next date appear. Yes. On oral prayer of the. You should have filed an IA for stay order. Yes.
Yes, we should have, my lord.
File the requisites.
Notice, Lordship may kindly fix the case to some other date.
I've done it, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Party
Party, nahi, notice.
Are you able to comprehend what is happening in the court?
Yes.
You have deposited the disputed amount, therefore I have issued notice to the opposite side and stayed the proceeding. Okay, let them come. If they accept the money, I'll pass it. If they don't accept, then we'll see what happens. Okay? Yeah.
Peruse the last order. After adjudicating, the Honorable Court had issued notice to the informant, who is the opposite party number 2.
Lordship, I'm appearing for
Yes,
the
yes,
informant.
madam.
Lordship, as per my instruction goes, the informant does not have any issues with the affair getting quashed. Because whole issue was that Your Lordship, the accused and the informant's daughter, they were friends, and out of that some fight arose, and the informant's whole issue was to just keep the boy out of limits from the informant's daughter.
Lordship, on 4/11/2024, the petitioner, according to the prosecution story, the petitioner went and verbally abused the informant's daughter. As an offspring of which, on 5/11/24, a PS case by 288 of 24 was registered. Malars, after that, on 6/11/2024, while granting the bail application, the informant suo motu came and also surrendered a compromise affidavit. And on that basis only the petitioner has got bail. The compromise affidavit.
I have got it, but are you going to file an affidavit here?
Yes, Your Lordship.
To file an affidavit
Yes, Your Lordship.
and let them appear through VC, I'll quash it. Tomorrow, day after, when do you want?
Your
Monday?
Lordship may keep it after 5th, any day after 5th.
Oh, okay. 6th.
Yes.
Okay, file an affidavit
Yes, Your Lordship.
and let the parties appear through VC, I'll quash it.
Yes.
Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
So entered appearance for opposite party number 2 and submit that indeed the parties have settled that dispute, and she seeks an adjournment to file an affidavit to that effect and leave the matter on 6th.
Well, that's another small prayer. My name has been transcribed wrong in the cause list as well as
We have correct name. Take. Yes,
interlocutory order may be controlled.
interim out to country. Yes, next.
My
Yes, sir.
Your Lordship. Initially, affair was lodged on Annex 1. My name is in the affair. Page 12. My name is in the affair.
FIR. Okay.
My lord, after investigation, police filed charge sheet only against 2%. My name was deleted.
Then complaint filed.
Man, page 28, Annex 3. Man.
Yes.
13/10/2023. Charge sheet number dated such and such. Accused person Niranjan Pole and against 2%.
And
I am satisfied.
Brahmanandan.
Man,
Yes.
I am satisfied that there is a prima facie material against the accused person.
Yes. And both the is
Two cognitions on against on the
Two of them.
against 2%. Thereafter, my lord, the file sent to general for as the one of the offenses 307. So for commitment process, your lordship I fixed, posted the matter. Thereafter, after 3 months, my lord, the informant has filed a complaint petition. And on the complaint petition, my lord, he has two cognitions against me. My humble submission, my lord, there is no mark, my lord. If he accept the police paper, my lord, that only 2 persons are committed the case, my lord, and disagree with the paper. After that, how the Lord Magistrate again on the complaint petition to cognizance.
Page 26. The statement of the police that further the name of the Sadashiv Nayak, petitioner. 26.
Yes.
Police is also politically motivated.
For politics.
No, he is raising a legal issue. He says that you file a charge sheet against 2%. And court
petition. Protest petition.
That is cognizance is taken. And the charge sheet has been accepted. Thereafter, a protest petition is filed. Go you. Whether it is maintainable or not, that's the question. He's raised. Because after the court have accepted the charge sheet,
yes,
and taken cognizance of it, it is not open for the complainant to file.
Right. I accused to the informant. He can lodge the protest.
That's what his question. You have answered it. Accepted. The trial court has not accepted. That's a different story altogether. Trial court has accepted.
Well, the cause of action arranges after charge sheet is submitted. Because the name who just is in the charge sheet, the
Cause of action, if arises after the charge sheet, then it is another FIR. not.
He is to file protestation within the.
You say that cause of action arose after the charge sheet is filed, then it is a,
Protestation.
then another
File a
affair,
protestation.
not a protest petition. You answer it. He may have a point, he may not have a point. But the complainant has a right to file.
Yes,
If
but I
he is
have-
satisfied.
I have no objection that if, my humble submission, if in the complaint petition, magistrate took cognizance, he has to answer whether I have agree with the police report or not, and why I am taking cognizance.
Where is that second cognizance?
Second cognizance, my lord.
33.
33. Okay.
He has not whispered a single word
This is
about the police report or anything.
the statement. Statement of the Duga Madhav Sahu, Viparanjan Sahu, and Sridhar Sahu. This is not a new case. His name is in the FIR.
The problem, I'll tell you, the real problem in the cognizance stage is format is there.
What is there?
They put the name taken,
Taken.
not taken.
Yes.
Finish. Therefore, the all litigation
Okay.
comes in. Some reasoning has to be given. He has already taken cognizance in the. He should have written all these things. I had taken already cognizance against two of them, and this is what has transpired. So therefore, I am taking cognizance. Nothing is written against his chief format in handwriting taken.
Taken.
Finish. This is the level of application of mine. What to do?
What taken is there.
Only taken. That's format is there. The typist does everything. He writes taken, sign, finish. Issue notice. Let's see.
I have filed a
You move application there. Huh? Application. Application.
new application for
See, there is some kind of application of mind is
necessary.
because these are not routine things. Cognizance is taken, thereafter charge is framed, and these are procedural safeguards. It can't be just simply you do it. Yes,
In I, my lord. I filed
you
a
move application. I have said that. Yes.
May I please, Lord? My lord, the petition is the working lady, my lord,
Yes.
challenging the entire proceeding initiated against her, my lord. In favor of the
1 minute. I have missed Tripathi. I'll have to write. Otherwise, simple notice will not. Mr. Tripathi and counsel for the petitioner submits that initially the FIR was registered. Against the accused person, including the petitioner. But after the investigation, charge sheet has been filed on 29/10/2023 against two of the accused person, dropping the name of both representatives. Subsequent thereto, the trial court by order dated 30th October 2023 has taken cognizance against the two accused persons against whom the charge sheet was filed. Charge sheet was filed. Charge sheet was filed. The complainant appears to have filed a protest petition being isolated case number 10 of 2024. On the protest petition, and a fresh cognizance has been taken against the petitioner by order dated 2/9/2024. Mr. Tripathi and counsel for the petition submits that the second cognizance order is not tenable under law because it is a manifestation of a complete non-application of my issue notice to opposite party, and it is not also in the meantime. It is open for the petitioner to move application for counsel. Yes. Yes.
Against two, I'll register post.
Yes.
I will have one more extra copy also.
Yes.
may I please, Lord?
Yes, sir.
My lord, petition is a lady, my lord. And in favor of her, my lord, a motorcycle was registered, a Hero Honda Splendor motorcycle.
No, sorry.
A Hero Honda motorcycle was registered in his favor, my lord. And on my lord, 9/8/2024, one of his relation has taken the motorcycle, and it was seized near my lord Chhanagiri in the district of Khordha, my lord. And police has seized the vehicle and instituted a case against her, against the vehicle, my lord. There was a donga on that locality, my lord, for which 4 FIR has been lost by the police, my lord.
Yes.
And thereafter, my lord, the lady has filed a 94 application before the learned trial court
Yes.
regarding illegal retention of this vehicle. There, the police has given a report that the owner of the vehicle and the driver was implicated in this case, my lord. Here is a case of my lord Donga. There is no male person is involved in this case. Female person is involved, and the petitioner is a working lady. On that date, she was working on the Khordha hospital.
What are the allegations? Let us see.
My lord, there is a mob, my lord. Hindu-Muslim dispute, and a mob of Hindus attacked to Muslim persons. That is the allegations. Here the petitioner is a lady. On that date, she was working on the hospital. And that was the report also given in this annexure, my lord. And the police has given the report. My lord, kindly have a running page 8.
Why are you bringing that story? Vehicle is registered against her and all. What is the relevancy of vehicle in this entire thing?
Yes, my lord. Due to the vehicle, my lord, ownership of the vehicle.
The vehicle was there in the Danga place.
Yes, yes.
That on the vehicle is registered in your name.
Yes.
So therefore you have been implicated.
Yes.
That's what.
Yes.
Why are you taking story here and there? A vehicle was
seized,
spotted in the place where the rioting has taken place.
Yes, yes, madam.
And since the vehicle is registered in your name, you have been implicated. That's what you want.
Yes, yes.
But there is a mob. So mob, the motorcycle has been seized. And there is a, your lordship's knows.
Merely because motorcycle is seized doesn't mean that the owner of the motorcycle is there.
No, not that is not the case, my lord. In the mob, there is no allegation that only the male persons are there. In the mob, there are several persons are there. They have destroyed several things, my lord. And thereafter, police registered the affair.
What is the role of this lady?
This lady, my lord,
have you got any?
He has not, my lord, submit any document.
Yes, yes, my.
So that he is not involved, my lord.
Yes, I kindly
nor anything, my lord.
Running page 7, sorry, 40.
And first time this case has come.
Running page 40, my lord. And same time, my lord, 4 FIR has been registered. To different places, 4 FIR has been registered. And the police has involved the lady in 4 of cases. On same date, 4 places, 4 different places.
If she is not there, then how 4 cases have been registered? If she is not there, how 4 cases have been registered?
What he says that except her the motorcycle in his her name, she was not present. He can't be present in 4 places
at the same time.
At the same time, my lord, because your lordship kindly visualize. The occurrence is in one place, my lord. There may be 4 cases for the particular
same
time, my lord. But not in the 4 places, my lord.
I'll just issue notice because she is a lady. Let us just see.
1
minute, investigation is going on. I can't do anything.
Yes.
Investigation is going on. They may find your presence CCTV footage. I don't know. Now you are connected with the case because the motorcycle which is owned by you was found from the spot. You may not be driving that motorcycle. Your husband or your son, whoever.
Nowadays, everybody is riding every vehicle, my lord.
And you have to ask whether she has a license to.
He has to show, my lord, that
all these things is a part of investigation. I just simply issue notice. Let us see. Okay.
Your lordship will say call for the schedule without issuing the notice.
Call for the schedule. That's all.
My lord, one thing I have filed a miscase. My lord, IA.
What can I do? Can I stop the investigation in the writing case?
No coercive action against.
No.
Kindly have been running base 40.
No. This is very preliminary stage. Go to some other court.
I have filed anticipatory, my lord.
I am not named the affair. Why, my lord?
In the writing case, names are not written. Generally, my lord, a male person. And you have a good case. I am issuing notice calling for it. And now, if you go to the court, you will get bail immediately. You simply say quashing petition is pending. You get a bail. As simple as that. Why are you complicating things?
Man, I have to release my vehicle, man. Only this prayer, man.
I can't do it at this stage. Please hold on. Let the CD come. Please hold on. Investigation is going on. I'll release your vehicle also.
No, I am not saying, my lord. I have to
wait. Go step by step.
There is separate provision.
I have to, my lord, I have to,
for the sake of asking, he is asking, let him ask.
Only one prayer, man. I have to file petition before the learned trial.
You get 4 briefs.
I have to.
You will get 4 briefs, 4 more briefs.
My lord, I have to appear there, my lord. Only
where is the investigation is going on? Where is the question of appearing? Where?
One 457, I have to file, my lord.
That at the right stage, not at this stage. Wait. 457 is not maintainable at this stage.
I am saying No coercive action only. It's a lady, my lord.
I can't do that. You move application. It does. If anything happens, come move application. Okay. Next, I'll call for CD. It is very the threshold. I shouldn't interfere.
And on that date, my lord, she was working in the
If
medical. That is the record.
anything worst happens, come move application. I'll entity. Nothing will happen because you have now. I'm examining.
Only I have to release my vehicle, my lord.
I can't release the vehicle at this
No,
stage.
my lord, I am not saying to my lord to. I have to move application because the non trial.
If you have to move, What to do?
No coercive action. That I will file there, my lord.
I can't do it because investigation is the very threshold. Try to appreciate. Yes.
10, my lord. I am from BC, my lord.
Yes, sir.
My lord, the annexure 2, my lord, order annexure the order of cognizance, my lord, is under
Yes.
challenge. Page 45, my lord.
Yes.
Cognizance has been taken under section 490, 294, 323, 451, 506, 406, 34. In the
Yes.
meantime, my lord, it is matrimonial dispute and the mutual divorce has been granted by annexure 3, my lord.
I'll just issue notice, matrimonial dispute. No?
My lord.
Issue notice to opposite party. You have settled the dispute.
Yes, my lord. Page 48, he has already taken the permanent alimony.
Settled the dispute. Huh?
I for stay, my lord.
Mutual consent divorce is there.
Is there? I'll say it. Huh? Right.
I for stay, my lord.
The talks for the petitioner submits that the parties have settled the dispute pursuant to the settlement. They moved an application under section 13B of Hindu Marriage Act for dissolution of the marriage between the petitioner number. Who is the husband?
Husband, my lord.
Petitioner number. Petition number 3 and opposite party number 2. Which has already been allowed by family judge Jagat Singh. It's judgment dated 16/7/2024 in civil proceeding number 35 of 2023. This notice to opposite party. In the meantime, proceeding before SDGM Jagat Singhpur in GR case number 813 of 2020 stay. Yes.
Published.
Hey. Here in this case, my lord, the complainant and the present petitioner both are family friends, my lord. They are doing business. He has taken some money. There is interchangeable, and he has given some money, and check was given, my lord, and that was subsequently bounced. Now the matter may be sent for mediation, my lord. It could be settled. 138 NI Act.
What is the check amount?
19 lakhs. 19 lakhs.
19 lakhs.
Granite business re mu nothili dothili. Aye.
Deposit 20%. Huh? I'll send it to mediation.
10%. 10%.
You have to settle it. It is very easy for you installment. 20% first you give, and the rest amount you will give. 20% give. I'll send it to mediation.
10%.
Pay the proceeding also.
He is a lady. 10% your lordship.
Lady also. You heard it.
No, 19 lakh no. Blank check ଦେଇଥିଲା ସେ 19 lakh pocket.
How much?
10% your lordship.
Yeah, what is the exact amount?
19 lakhs he has stated.
But what is the amount?
Say 6-7 lakh ଟଙ୍କା ହବ ଆଜ୍ଞା ବିଜନେସ ରେ 10% your lordship say 2 lakhs ହେଇଯାଉଛି.
Then I'll not stay.
ନାଇଁ state ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ mediation ରେ ଚାଲିବ ସେଇଠି settle ହେଇଯିବ.
Therefore I'm saying 20% is the 143 capital A. 20%. So therefore I'm saying right now, subject to petitioner is accused in so and so. Okay. He seeks washing up the order dated 11/10/2022 passed by the SDGM Barampur in ICC case number 72 of 2021, whereby the cognizance of offence under section 138 NI has been taken. Mr. Sahul, counsel for the petitioner, submits that the parties are the transaction is arising out of a business transaction.
Yes.
The dispute is arising out of a business transaction, hence there is likelihood of settlement. Issue notice to opposite party, sole opposite party, returnable so. Next, IR subject to petitioner depositing 20% of the check amount. Shall not be disbursed to the opposite party. The proceeding in ICC case number 72 of 2021 is stayed, and the parties are directed to which court? The trial court is directed to set the matter for mediation before the district mediation center. District mediation center, Ganjama.
eighty कर दियो कटक High Court mediation
नहीं और
80 ହେଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା
Parampur they'll come and all.
ସେ ଆସିବେ କିଛି କଥା 80 ଅଛି
But no, I don't know the complainant where the complaint stays.
complainant belongs
It
to
also Parampur.
yes
Let it
ma'am.
be district mediation.
Yes
District mediation in Punjab. The coordinator is to fix a date and intimate the parties also till the mediation process is going on. The proceeding of first.
obliged
Give a date, awaiting mediation report, release the matter.
yes
Mistake, my lord, on my part, my lord. In that case, my lord, actual 4 places, one time your lordship has rightly said that one places, 4 times cannot be happened. So your lordship is right on that.
That's what I was asking you.
Your lordship may pass. I'm sorry, my lord, I'm not, because they were allotted to me, their writing is there for that.
That's what I was asking. How can a
4 cases are there, lordship may protect them. At a time that cannot be happened, my lord. That is the problem. Sorry, my lord. I'm extremely sorry, my lord.
Which item? Then I'll just pass it over. 12 o'clock I'll take.
My lord.
I'll just see. Just check it up. Yes.
Purvo case, just
Item 9.
9 तक रखिए pass over. Pass over, right? 2 o'clock I'll take it. And prepare it. Time of the FIR.
My lord.
And in all these 3. Time of the FIR. Okay. I have to record it. Record the reason for protection. Otherwise, I can't do it. So you give me the time of FIR. You prepare time of FIR and obviously time of FIR and incident relating to it. Yes.
My lord.
Yes.
Please, my lord. My lord, here the present petitioner was challenging the order passed by they are taking cognizance by the Lord and Magistrate under NI Act. My lord, what happened? The accused as well as the petitioner both are also staying together at Calcutta, Alipur. The transaction also held at Alipur. Both of them are making an allegation that he under NI Act, the complainant making allegation against the accused. Accused also making an allegation. He has taken 8 lakhs rupees from him since 2021. But very horridly, only to harass the accused, the present petitioner here, he has filed a complaint case at Khurda, and the Law and Magistrate taking very sincere step. Sir, I have filed an affidavit. How he has also taken up the matter.
Where is the complaint copy? Show me.
Complaint copy I have filed, my lord.
Where is that?
That is.
I may be permitted, your lordship, on behalf of Mr. Kabiraj Pradhan. This matter has already been, the judgment has been dictated, but has not been pronounced and kept in seal cover because of this absence of the present petitioner, your lordships. That
at this stage, why?
No.
Order.
I brought it to the notice of the Law and Magistrate. The matter is also sub judice before this honorable court. Despite that, sir. Sir, despite that, he is also ready, willing, and why he is so much interested of this case. Going on passing the final affidavit, sir. Please see how the matter stand urgent. Please see how the matter stand urgent by the Law and Magistrate. When he came to know that accused staying at Calcutta, the complainant also staying at Calcutta, but he is also hurried pass an order. Day after within between 2 days. Sir, see.
One minute.
Sir.
Show me the complaint copy.
Complaint copy I have filed.
Where is that? I'm not able to get the copy of complaint.
Copy of the statement, copy of the transaction. Sir.
Where is that?
This is the
complaint.
This is the complaint.
You have to file it.
That day also, my lord also perused that complaint copy.
You tell me one thing, you seeking quashing of the complaint?
Yes, yes, yes.
If you don't give me the complaint, how will I decide it?
But today also, I'll file the complaint by one
I
affidavit.
don't know whether you today or tomorrow, these are minimum thing. You are seeking quashing of a complaint and complaint
No, no,
not
no.
filed.
No, other day also my lord
And
also.
cognizance
No, no, sir.
filed, nothing else.
Other day my lord also interested to know how to learn and magistrate is very much interested matter.
I know,
Sir,
what I
case has been instituted in month of August 2024 and it is concluded in the same year. In the same year.
Mr. Niranjan Padnal and counsel for the petitioner seeks to place on record the additional document to substantiate his case. Let him do so within a week. Please the matter after a week. File all documents, sir. Otherwise, it's very difficult.
Taken up on Monday, sir. Monday.
He will give it.
By
Yes.
today or tomorrow, I will also file
Do it.
the.
It's pending since, see, when you have filed this petition?
I have, that is
Just
20
see,
month of February I have filed.
just see, you have filed 2024.
Sir.
February. Today we are, after 1 year, you are saying that complaint copy is not.
Matter
You are
also,
seeking quashing
sir,
of the complaint.
sir, matter of the hard also time and again.
And
So,
you have,
last
you
of
have
the,
sought adjournment twice for this.
my lord also directed that to file and
There is no point.
taken up Monday, sir. Monday.
We will give it. Yes, next.
May I please your lord, sir? This case arises out of 133 proceeding before the SDM, your lordship. Kindly have a glance to page 22, the order of the sub-divisional magistrate, your lordship. Operating part I am placing as per guidelines of municipal deck.
Where are you reading, sir?
Page 22, your lordship.
22.
Last part of the order, your lordship.
Yes.
As per the guidelines of municipality, meet the situation of this type. Resources section 133 of Criminal Procedure Code is not felt to appropriate. Ordinarily, proceeding under 133 of CRPC should not be restored to there if there is no other remedy available. As such, there is remedy in Municipal Act, which is the special law enacted for this purpose. Hence, Executive Officer Fulbani is hereby ordered to take immediate action to make the order free from encroachment of the movement of the general. I agree by this. Next page, your lordship, annexure 5, your lordship, page 23. After this order, the municipality has issued notice to me for clearance of exit. This notice has been challenged before this honorable court, and I file my so-called before the executive officer municipality, and the matter is sub judice there. Then I file this order. Being agreed by this order, I file a revision petition before the Land and District Judge. That is the order of the Land and District Judge is at page, your lordship, page annexure 7, page 29.
Yeah.
Page 29, operating part of the order, page 31, your lordship, 26/11/2024.
31 here.
Yes, petitioner and has also passed an order to stay on notice issued by the municipality for demolition of the house of the question. It is further revealed from the impugned order dated 14/12/2023. The SDM Kandhamal Fulbani has refused to exercise the power vested in him under section 133 of CRPC, and hence the petitioner herein should not have grievance at all. My revision petition has been dismissed. I prefer this CRMC only on the ground that this the SDM should not have directed under 133 proceeding to the municipality, the concerned municipality, to take action against me.
Have you argued that before the?
Yes, my petition is there, your lordship.
Yes.
My petition, your lordship, page annexure 6, page 24. I have given that petition. That para 2, your lordship, Nandakishore on the starter father of the petition.
Where are you reading?
Your lordship, page 26.
30?
Page 26, your lordship. That is the internal page.
Para?
Para, your lordship, started from that. Thereafter, the case taken up for hearing and the land and SD Fulbani. Page 25, your lordship.
Acha, that thereafter.
Thereafter, the
By
case
virtue
taken.
of the order detail.
So and so, there is a special provision under so and so, providing ample power to municipality to remove any nuisance caused to any other. public road drain and directed the executive Fulbani.
Then the executive officer Fulbani, the notice which was given to
Yes,
you
yes,
is
yes.
pursuant to the magistrate's order.
Magistrate's order, your lord.
But against that you have already taken recourse.
I have filed my SOCUS to before the executive officer, but right now the executive officer only direction of the learned SDM is going to demolish my house. Part of demolish.
Where is the demolition order? There is no demolition.
No, demolition order is not there. For that reason, I apprehended that they are going.
On the apprehension, I can't pass the order.
Lordship, kindly visualize the situation. My entire revision has been dismissed only on the.
Your grievance is the magistrate should not have directed the municipal authority to issue notice.
Issue notice.
Okay, under 131.
Yes, your lord.
133. And the fact remains that magistrate had given a notice and you have challenged it. You have resorted to the right remedy. You have challenged it. Things are going on.
Yes, your lord.
Then this order has become infructuous.
Lordship.
And you challenge that in the revision court confirms it. Then it is the effect of that order has already taken place and you have resorted to the remedy.
Lordship,
what remains in this case?
Lordship, revisional court, without taking my submission before the revisional court, they simply dismiss my proceeding only on the ground that as because there is no direction. Kindly have a Fulbani has refused to exercise the vested.
Come to the magistrate's order.
Yes,
page 22.
Yes, sir. Last, sir.
As per the guideline of Municipality Act 1951, to meet the situation of this type,
yes,
resource to section 133 CRPC is not felt to be appropriate. Ordinarily, proceeding under section 138, 133 of so and so should not be resorted to. And if there is no other remedy available, as such, there is a remedy of municipal act is in the special law enacted by this purpose. Hence, the executive officer Fulbani is hereby ordered to take immediate action. You are agreed by this part?
Yes, I agree by this.
But executive magistrate, this order was passed in 2023 December, 14th December.
Yes, your lord.
Subsequent thereto, notice has been issued to you on 15/2/2024.
Your lord.
By the magistrate. And against that notice, you have already resorted to remedy. You have filed a petition there in High Court.
I filed a read petition and this number.
And what remains in this petition?
Your lordship, after this, I agree by this order. This the operating part of the order.
I will record that and dispose it out.
Only
so that remedy, whatever remedy is there, you can,
only on the ground then, because the executive magistrate would not have exercised his jurisdiction exceeding his jurisdiction, your lord. So once he is felt that
who has initiated the proceeding 133?
133 opposite party number, your lord.
Right. Opposite party number.
Opposite number 4, your lordship.
Opposite party number 4. Where is that order you have said?
That is Annexure 2, your lord. Annexure 4, your lordship. Page 19. Sunil Kumar Mahanti versus Sri Samir Kumar Mahanti. That is the initiation 11/7/2023, the order.
The opposite party number 4. Initiated in a proceeding under section 133 CRPC, inter alia alleging that there is a illegal construction taken place in a part of the plot number 986 bracket road under khata number 667 of Moja Fulbani Sahib under Tahsil Kandhamal. And the construction illegal construction raised by the alleged illegal constructions raised by the petitioner is causing public nuisance. Therefore, he had approached the SDM Kandhamal to take appropriate direction. The order dated by order dated 14/12/2023, the SDM Kandhamal refused to entertain the application. However, directed the executive officer Fulbani Municipality to take immediate actions regarding the complaint filed by opposite party number 2. the operating part of the order dated 14/12/2023 by which the petitioner is agreed is reads as under. You can as per guideline, page 22, as per guideline, the paragraph, last guideline, so paragraph. The petitioner assailed the said order by filing a revision before unsuccessfully assailed the aforementioned order before the stations Fulbani by filing criminal revision number criminal revision case number 5 of 2024. The Sessions Court filed interim order dated 26/11/2024 has rejected the revision petition. Hence, the petitioner is before this court. Before this court. Next problem. Pursuant to the order of magistrate dated what is that dated? Dated 14/12/2023, the municipality authority have issued a notice dated 15/2/2024. And counsel for the petitioner submits that against the said notice. What have you filed?
Read petition number, Your
Against
Lordship.
the said notice, the petitioner has
I have mentioned
approached this court by filing a writ petition. Where is that?
That is, Your Lordship, W petition number 19484 of 2024. I have given the
2024. Fine. 3024. Which is sub judice before.
disposed of, Your Lordship.
Disposed of, huh?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Which has been disposed of by the order dated?
By the order dated, Your Lordship, 16/8/2024.
16/8/2024. What is the order? Where is that order?
That order I have not annexed. Liberty granted to the petitioner to approach the executive officer to file the so.
Disposed of. By the order dated so. Disposed of. The petitioner, it is apparent from the aforementioned that the order dated 14/12/2023 passed by the SDM Contempt, by which the petitioner is agreed has been pursuant to the apparent pursuant to the order dated so and so passed by SDM. Notice has already been issued by the executive officer, municipality, executive officer, Fulbani municipality, and the petitioner has already resorted to the remedy under law. Therefore, in true sense, the impugn order has already been put to execution. Nothing execution. Hence, challenge to the said impugn order is of no consequence. Hence, the petition is in true sense become infructuous. In that view of the matter, not inclined to entertain this petition. Accordingly, the same is disposed of with the observation as mentioned. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes.
14.
May I please? I am the petitioner in this case. The Odisha Subordinate Staff Selection Commission conducted written examination post of nursing officer 2023.
Yes.
Center of Black Diamond College in Engineering and Technology. 19/3/2023 11 AM to 1 AM at ଝାରସୁଗୁଡ଼ା ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଦେଲା ଭିତରେ ହଲରୁ ମୋର ମୋବାଇଲଟା ସିଜ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ସୁପରିଟେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ମୋ ନାଁରେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଦେଲେ ଏତିକି ମ୍ୟାଟର ହେଲା ଏତିକି
There are two petitioners.
ହଁ I am Susmita Sahu.
What about Millie Bhagavati? What about the petitioner number 2? Your mobile is seized. What happened to petitioner number 2? Why she is implicated?
So ଜାଣିନି ସେଟା
No, what are the allegations? Come to that. What are the allegations? Yes. Where is the charge sheet? Charge sheet, sir. Where is the charge sheet? Charge sheet has been filed.
Instruction 9.
I think you have not prepared.
Charge sheet nahi mobile.
Without instruction, how are you arguing then? You get the full instruction and come.
My lord, only mobile the speech is.
I'll just put it next week. You prepare and come. Prepare and come. You are half-heartedly arguing.
Okay.
I'll just adjourn.
Yes.
Read it and come. Simply adjourn. Huh?
15.
God bless you.
Prepare thoroughly and come. So
Okay.
that you can assist.
Yes.
Yes.
May I please?
15. Yes.
Challenging order of cognizance, my lord. In this case, my lord, before taking cognizance, my lord, learned magistrate issue NBW against the present person as per prayer for the IO, my lord.
Where is that?
Page 17.
And 17 and 18, my lord.
18.
Kindly see the 18, my lord.
Okay, I'll quash the NBW. Go and appear. Okay. Go and appear. I'll quash the
Petitioner is not main accused, my lord. Main accused
That's a
already.
different story. Cognizance. NBW. I'll quash. Huh? Go and appear. Right on. Petitioner is agreed by the order dated 12/2/2024, whereby cognizance of offence punishable under section. What are the offences?
363, 366, my lord.
In that order, cognizance is not taken.
Yes,
Your Lordship, 34 IP.
17, page 17, man.
Where is the cognizance?
18, Your Lordship. The order of cognizance.
Same day.
No, my lord.
21/2/2024.
Taking cognizance. Issue NBW 12/2/2024.
Then you are challenging what? First order.
No.
Man, cognizance, man.
You are not challenging the NBW.
NBW, higher file, my lord. First NBW.
POXO, I will not.
No, POXO is not made out, my lord. Only 360.
See, right on. A petition is agreed by the order dated 21/2/2024, whereby passed by ADJ come special judge under POXO Act, whereby cognizance of offences punishable under section 363, 366, 34 IPC, read with section 6/17 of POXO Act has been taken against the petitioner. The counsel for the petitioner also submits that prior to the impugn order, by the order dated 12/2/2024, the trial court has already issued NBW against the petitioner, as the charge sheet has been filed against the petitioner, showing him to be absconding. Insofar as the impugn order dated 21/2/2024 is concerned, I am not inclined to entertain the same at this stage. However, liberty is granted to the petitioner to refer to the remedy available to him under law at the appropriate stage before the trial court. However, insofar as the order dated 12/2/2024 is concerned, the NBW issued by the trial court is set aside, subject to the petitioner appearing in the court on or before 30th of February 2020, and resort to the remedy available to him under law.
I pray, my lord.
Was the NBW go?
My lord.
Yes.
One of the co-accused already, main accused released on bail, kindly.
The learned counsel for the petitioner
Clarity
also
also.
submits that one of the
Main-
co-accused
Main accused.
has already been admitted to.
Main accused, my lord. Only released on bail.
I can't say main or co. He will say you are main. Why should I say main? Has already been admitted to bail.
Bail.
Therefore, he seeks parity with him. It is open for the petitioner to move appropriate application for the court below, taking all the grounds, including the ground of court
Obliged, my
and ground of fairness. I have given everything.
Okay.
Yes.
See.
My lord. So criminal proceeding, offense under section 364, 386, 506 and
Yes, yes.
505.
Yes, what are you seeking?
Amicable settled. Affidavit has already been filed.
Seeking what?
Class of criminal
Yes.
proceeding. Matter has been compromised and affidavit has already been filed by by both the parties.
364, 386, Your Lordship. Offenses, Your Lordship.
Investigation is going on.
No.
What are the allegations?
ମାନେ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ କୁ କିଡନାପ କରି ରଖିଲେ, ମାଗିଲେ ପଇସା ନେଇକି ଗଲେ ହୋଟେଲରେ ରଖିଲେ, ମାଗିଲେ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେ, ତାପରେ ତ ହଜବେଣ୍ଡ କୁ ଛାଡିବୁ, ସେ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର କରିଲେ ବି ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟରେ ବି, ତାପରେ ରିମେନିଂ ଛାଡ଼ିଲେନି ପୁଣି ଆଉ 10 ଲକ୍ଷ ନେଇକି ଆସ ବୋଲି ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ କଲେ।
Matter has been amicably settled.
How
What
the
amicable
rather
Hey,
of
sure.
demanding-
Every case can't be settled.
No, no, actually, ଯିଏ ଟଙ୍କା ନେଇଛି ଏମାନେ
Let it
କିଛି
be
ରୋଲ
investigated. I don't want.
ଏମାନେ
These,
କିଛି ରୋଲ
these are the cases I can't enter.
next week room I will satisfy your lordship.
What you satisfy now? See the kind of allegation. You kidnap somebody's husband, asking for 5 lakhs. They have given 5 lakhs. You say that bring 10 lakhs, and now you are seeking settlement. What settlement?
Next week room I will satisfy your lordship. I will verify the same.
Investigated. Let it be.
Investigation is complete.
You may be correct also. You may be correct also. You might be implicated wrongly.
My lord,
or
this is
falsely.
affidavit ସେଇ କଥା ହିଁ କହିଛନ୍ତି ନା
Affidavit will. You will not decide whether you have been.
No, my lord.
The police has to find out.
My lord.
Let it be investigated.
My lord. Next week.
No, right on. Petitioner is seeking harassment of the fire number so and so registered against him, her or him, registered against
And 6 others, your lordship.
registered against them for LA's commission of offences punishable under section 364, 386, 506, 34 IPC on the ground that the petitioners have entered into a settlement with the informant. A joint affidavit to that effect has been filed. Joint affidavit dated. What is the date? Joint affidavit dated. No date.
That is plan B, your lordship, my lordship's brief.
Noek.
Tell me the date.
Noek.
Copy ଦେଇନା affidavit ମତେ ବି।
ଦେଇଛି Noek 24. 9 filed on 28/24. 25 ରେ file ଅଛି।
25 has been filed on record. Mr. Mahathir, Land Counsel for the state, submits that the allegations are very serious in nature. The investigation of the case is still going on. Regard being had to the nature of allegation against the petitioner and the fact that the investigation is still going on, I am not going to bring this petition at this stage. Hence, the same is dismissed. However, dismissal of the present petition shall not preclude the petitioner to resort to the remedies available to them under law at a later stage if cause of action subsists. Yes, next.
My lord, liberty will be given to file.
Liberty, yes.
17.
Yes, sir.
Opposite part number 2 has filed a complaint against the petitioner. They are the brother, petitioners 1 to 3 are the brothers of her husband. There was a family dispute, a civil suit is pending, and the family DT was kept in the house of the opposite part number 2. So these people have given he has prevented us from making the workshop. So these people have gone to the police station and gave a report.
DT, the God is for everyone.
Everyone.
Nobody can prevent you.
It is there in their house. The idol is there in their house and prevented. Then I filed an FIR before the police saying that when I am going to worship, they are creating disturbance. I am apprehending it. At the same day, they have filed an FIR saying that we have forcefully entered into the house, confined them, and all those things.
Case and cross case are also there, but I have no instruction regarding this case of the December 2024, your lordship. I have no whether the charges have been filed or not, your lordship. That part, your lordship.
Just see, these kind of cases should be quashed. I tell you, fight for the God. God is for everyone. I'll just issue notice and issue notice. Written so what interim order could be passed? Investigation is going on. But investigation is going on.
December 2024 affair.
GR case, corresponding GR stay, sir.
Process start.
You are seeking quashing of which proceeding? GR case number 915.
Yes.
What is the stage?
Just FIR is fine.
Charge file ହେଇଥିବ in December 2024 FIR, your lordship. My assumption charge sheet whether file or not has been taken. That part I have no instruction for the time being, your lordship. Let it become any next week, your lordship. In the meantime,
I issue notice.
Yes, your lordship.
Get instruction and I'll see.
Yes, your
and file any There is no threat of arrest and all. Have you taken bail?
I filed another application anticipatory bail. I filed another application here. You have to say
Anticipatory
that no
pending.
course of action that automatically I will get.
No, if the anticipatory bail is there, why should I preempt that? I can't preempt that. Simply issue notice and state council accept notice and seeks an adjournment to get the exact status of the investigation and file a report to the effect. Lease the matter on such and such to go shortly the 1 week after.
Should I take?
I'm giving only 1 week so that we'll
Yes,
settle
sir.
with this.
Should I take notice on opposite party too?
No, you take the notice, opposite part. Yes. 18.
Your Lordship, may I plead? The present petition has been filed challenging the criminal proceeding initiated on the basis of FIR lodged by OP number 2. Annexation 1 is the FIR, copy of the FIR, Your Lordship.
Yes.
FIR lodged in Sadar PS, bearing PS case number 605 of 2021.
Yes.
Corresponding to GR case.
So what happened? You tell me.
But quashing under 420, Your Lordship.
420.
Yes, Your Lordship. ଜାଗା ପଇସା ଆଣିଲେ ଜାଗା ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଖେଳୁଛନ୍ତି that is the allegation
କେତେ ପଇସା
15 lakhs that is alleged in this FIR
Your Lordship, the
what is this mediation report?
Mediation report, the present OP number 2 didn't participate. The OP number 2 who has lost the informant, who has lost the FIR.
It was sent to mediation by whom?
That is ABLPL application, and that ABLPL application, this honorable coordinate bench matter referred to the coordinate mediation center also.
Then
The
nothing.
OP number 2 didn't appear.
Then how can it be I quash?
Oh, Your Lordship, in the Your Lordship, the time period for investigation in 420 is 60 days or maximum 90 days, where the punishment is death or life imprisonment.
Are you in custody?
No, Your Lordship.
Then?
But the FIR has been lost in the year 2020.
Are you in custody?
No, Your Lordship.
Then where is the limitation? If you are in custody, then it has to be done because
No, Your Lordship, when the second anticipated bail application was filed, by the time section 41A notice was issued to the petitioner. So the second anticipated bail application was infructuous since notice was issued to the petitioner in the month of February 2024.
Wow, how these things are relevant? You have taken 15 lakh rupees.
No, Your Lordship, I am not.
And it was when at the stage of
the present
anticipatory bail, it was sent to mediation. The other side has not cooperated. These are the facts. On that basis, how can I quash it? Investigation is still going on.
Your Lordship, the investigation is going on, but the investigation has not been finalized because
that is obviously
because 4 years have more than 3 years have passed, Your Lordship. The petitioner is facing mental trauma because he has not taken
you pay the money, then you will not face.
Your Lordship, the petitioner.
Give it here, the amount I'll call him and give it and finish it up.
Your Lordship, the present petitioner has not taken a single amount from the OP number 2.
That's the problem. That is the investigation. Whether you have taken or how much you have taken, honestly tell me.
No, Your Lordship, I have not taken a single price since I was
It will come next week or 2 weeks, 1 week after, Lordship. In the meantime, I'll
You tell me the status of
Yes, Your Lordship.
because this FIR
21 years.
FIR is
21.
registered in 2021.
26/10/2021 FIR, I will obtain.
कौन चल रही
Yes, man, yes, yes.
This is then counsel for the state to obtain instruction regarding the status of the investigation. Please the matter of. Let us see.
Yes, Your Lordship. Obliged, Your Lordship.
Na? Okay. Give me that. Give me. Give me small piece.
Could not be titled.
So this is the homework you should have done. You should have come and.
Again, first start the case, this is this. This is the case, my lord, there.
The occurrence is 9/8/2024.
Yes, madam.
FR is 11/8.
2 days after the affair was lodged.
And all the FI.
Yes, madam.
I'll pass it.
And she came to know that because she has filed a petition for release. The police stated that since there is a seizure of vehicle in that connection with that case, so the investigation is also there is a.
I'll pass a common order in ready. The petitioner has been implicated in in 4 cases. 4 cases pertaining to an occurrence alleged to have taken place on 9/8/2024. All the 4 cases, all the following 4 cases, all following 4 cases have been registered on 11/8/2024. Petitioner is a lady who owns a motorcycle. What is this?
Motorcycle, madam.
Motorcycle.
Splendor.
Who is the owner of what motorcycle is this?
Splendor BRS.
He owns he is the owner of a motorcycle bearing number so and so.
Is 18.
Which appears to have been found at the place where the rioting had taken place. On the basis of the recovery of the vehicle, recovery of the motorcycle, the petitioner has been implicated in all the 4 cases. Then counsel for the petitioner submits that it is beyond comprehension that a lady is present in 4 places at the same time committing crime as well as by the prosecution in all the 4 affairs. The only connecting material on the basis of which the petitioner has been implicated is the recovery of the motorcycle, except the recovery of the motorcycle which is in their name. No other material is collected by this petitioner. Issue notice to opposite party number Mr. Issue notice to the state, Mr. Jena accept notice. In the meantime, no course of action shall be taken against the petitioner. It is made clear that the order of no course of action shall not be construed as if this court has stayed the investigation process. And it is expected that the petitioner shall cooperate with the investigation. Following the
Item 19 and 20 password.
Yes.
21. Item 19, your worship will take it up after this.
To pass out somebody asked. Yes.
21.
Yes, madam.
I am filed for quashing of affairs. Matter has been settled. Affair was under section 341, 294, 323, 307, 355, 506, and 34 of IPC, and redo it section 319, 1S, 1J.
307, what now?
And 3 SC/ST Act is there.
SC/ST.
Petitioner is a doctor. Informant is a security guard in the some medical hospital. So, pani pain jaichi taku mane slang language re by taking his caste abuse kale and assault kale.
Assault re kono?
Assault re section FR jaha reveals ke jama mane badle godo hathare maile taku godo hathare maile bidha godia maile.
307.
That is the, but I am not charge sheet. I am not doing the charge sheet, your lordship. So, but
you have in 307 ଗୋଡ ହାତରେ ଥାପଡ଼ ମାରିଦେ ଦେଖିଲା
ସେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ତାକୁ କହିଲେ ସେଲୁଟ ମାରିବା ପାଇଁ କହିଲେ ତୁ ଏଠି ପାଣି ପାଇଁ କାହିଁକି ଆସୁଛୁ ଏଣ୍ଡ ମତେ ମାନେ ଗୋଇଠା ମଧ୍ୟ ମାଇଲେ
ମାଇନର let them settle.
307 law there is injury report.
307 you say that there is no injury, nothing. What kind of 307? Not even 323.
ମତେ ମୁଣ୍ଡିଆ ମାରି ପାଇଁ କହିଲେ ମତେ ଆଣ୍ଠେଇ ମାଡ଼ ମାରିଲେ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରତିବାଦ କରିବାରୁ ତମେ ସାଙ୍ଗ ମାଙ୍ଗୁ ଦ କ୍ଲାସ ବାଇ ଟେକିଂ ହିଜ କାଷ୍ଟ କହି ମାରାତ୍ମକ ଆକ୍ରମଣ କରିଥିଲେ ମୁଁ
I issue notice. I issue notice. But all of them has to be here.
They have appeared in.
Lordship, both the parties are appearing through BC, Lordship, and the opposite number, party number 2, make an.
Subsequently, the doctor of Baripada advised to shift him to SC Medical College. And since on page 14, since the petitioner could not pay the rest of the amount, the present case has been instituted.
Let us come to the impugned order.
Impugned order, discharge petition, but in nowhere 3 SC/ST Act is made out.
Yes.
Impugned order, it will be decided during trial, the learned session that has held.
Rightly said.
But the nowhere you will find the affair that the no case.
Come to the charge sheet now. Let us see the charge sheet. Okay.
Charge sheet, my lord.
Yes.
As the investigation has been completed, my lord, page 21, my lord.
Yes, I'm there.
As the investigation of the case has been completed and primary evidence is well established under section 337, 338, 295 and 6. IPC radio section 31 RS 32 VA SC/ST PO Act against the accused Shaktikumar Das, son of so and so. Hence, I submitted charge sheet such and such.
Show me the statement of the witnesses. 161 statement.
161 statement.
When the charge sheet is nothing is said.
No, nothing said. Man, kindly have a glance to FIR then. Then I'll
forget about FIR. Now, after investigation, charge sheet is in file. Show me the statement of the informant under section 161 and other witness. From there only you can make out a case.
And that is true, but the nowhere as per the statement and the affair, no. Yes, on only.
You place on record all the 161 statement. Let us see what are the material.
Yes,
because you have filed the charge sheet.
Affair and the discharge petition and the
discharge petition is there. You have filed.
Discharge petition I have already filed.
Page 25. It is there. But unless you show me the.
I'll file under system.
Yes. Mr. Pondan has told for the petitioner. It's an adjournment to place on record the additional document to substantiate this case. Least the matter of yes. Yes.
Madam, I pardon. I pray next week, but tomorrow I will.
Yes.
But next week, I will if I'll file.
He will give it.
One thing more. If I'll file adjournment petition, that will be adjourned.
No. You have not filed incomplete petition. You are seeking.
I have filed.
No. Nothing.
Next week any day.
Nothing. Don't do that. First of all, you have filed an incomplete petition.
And the affair on charge sheet I have filed.
And then you should have moved a small slip, give a stay. I would have done it instead of filing so big a petition without documents.
Check.
How can you file this kind of petition without the relevant documents?
And next week,
you are seeking discharge and you have not filed any document.
Next week any day except
he'll give a date. That's a different story.
4 or 5 except 6.
Next. 4, 5 Yes.
23. Here, my lords, I have paid for quashing of the proceeding, my lords, complaint petition.
Yes.
So that is without jurisdiction on the ground that this is without jurisdiction, my lords. Lords, I have taken a loan from the HDFC Bank Borgad branch, my lords. Now, I have taken 12,15,562, my lords. As against that, I have already paid, my lords, 19,63,885, my lords. So that statement is there. My lords, maliciously, my lords, the opposite party bank, my lords, has instituted the case at Bhubaneswar, my lords. Nothing is there in the Bhubaneswar. No.
Let's see the complaint then.
My lords, complaint, my lords, they are not stated. I have filed the complaint petition.
Where is that?
That is annexure 1 at page 18, my lords.
18, okay.
My lords.
Yes. Show me the complaint.
Complaint petition starts at page 19, my lords.
Yes.
My lords, nothing has been stated that I have taken loan from the Borgad branch, my lords, but I have
annex the statement of Borgad Millers. I have not taken a single pie from Bhubaneswar. I am the resident of Borgad Millers. I have also paid the amount at Borgad Millers.
Yes, come to the.
One claiming Millers only 33,106 Millers, which I am disputing. I am also not liable to pay that Millers. Because the head office is at Bhubaneswar Millers, they have instituted the case at Bhubaneswar.
Come to page 20.
My lord.
Para 4.
Yes, my lords. However, the electronic fund transfer initiated by the accused in respect of the equated monthly installment dated 3rd July 24 amounting to rupees 33,106 could not be executed realized on the ground of insufficient of funds in the bank account of the accused by the memo dated 3rd July 24 of
HDFC Bank, so Napoli.
Yes, my lords. That is their bank, my lord. That is their bank. HDFC Bank, my lords.
Where the insufficient, where the check was dishonored?
Check, my lords, check was paid, my lords, in Borgad, my lords.
Then
Borgad branch.
Jurisdiction is there.
Borgad, I am
no, just see, how will you answer to this?
That is, my lords, that is against, my lords, settled principles of law, my lords. Because of the check dishonored at Bhubaneswar, my lords, that court has no jurisdiction, my lords. That is, my lords,
Notice was also issued to you?
Yes, my lords.
Yes.
That is the settled law, my lords.
Yes.
Kindly, my lords, page 12, my lords. So, lords, may kindly see page 12.
12? Yes.
Page 12, my lords.
Yes.
Lords, first line, lords, I may be permitted, lords. In this analysis,
where are you reading?
Lords, first line, page 12, first line, lords.
Yes.
It's a middle of a paragraph. Yes. In this analysis,
we hold that
the place, citation or venue of judicial inquiry and trial of the offence must logically be restricted to where the drawing bank is located. The law should not be wrapped for commercial exigencies. As it is, Section 138 of the NI Act has introduced a deeming fiction of culpability, even though Section 420 is still.
No, subsequent there to 2014, another judgment is there.
Lord, so this is a 3 judgment decision of your Lord, Lord, sir, the Honorable Supreme
You get that judgment. That judgment says that the court has jurisdiction. I think it is 2020 or 21. That was the earlier regime. It has been changed now. Get that judgment. I'll just see it.
Lord, sir.
I'll put it next week also.
For 33,000 only, I have already paid 19 lakhs, lords. I have already cleared all the amounts.
I understand. It's only 33,000.
Yes, yes.
Why don't you pay and finish it up? Why?
No, lords, this is not payable at all. That is dispute.
But you have issued a check.
Lords, electronic funds is there. Lords, electronic checks is issued. It is in ECS system, lords. Now they have presented the check.
Shall I send it to mediation? You pay something and finish? Or 30,000 rupees, you'll keep on fighting in the High Court?
That is why, my lords, I am before your lordship, lords. Lord, they are, my lords, trying to collect the amount which is not.
You may be correct, but by the time you defend yourself, you spend more than 30,000. That's the
exactly, my lords.
Reality. That's the reality. So therefore, why don't you pay a little bit and finish it up?
So that is why they filed this case at Bhubaneswar, my lords. Had it been Borgad, my lords, my lords, would have defended lords properly.
Just think over. I think you should pay it. See, this petition itself will cost more than what you are supposed to pay. Therefore, I'm saying.
Lords,
you may be correct.
Amount is not, lords.
So therefore, you do it. I will not impose any condition. I'll just issue notice and send it to mediation. Try and do it.
I'll take it.
Okay. What I'm sending it right now, issuing notice. Yes. Bank is also interested to get some money.
Yes,
right. Issue notice to opposite party also. Reasonable also. Without the parties are relegated to District Mediation Center, Bhubaneswar, for exploring possibility of settlement. Awaiting mediation report. Please the matter so and so. In the meantime, the proceeding before so and so is stayed. I'll stay the
Let it be at Borgad Milords. Milords, bank is
Matter-
there. Bank is there at Borgad.
Try to appreciate. Matter is pending in Bhubaneswar. Right, wrong, whatever. I can't send it to Bargad. I can't send it to either a High Court or Bhubaneswar.
Bank has its similar.
Maybe, but that has to be decided. But fact remains, the matter is pending before the Bhubaneswar. I can send it to Bhubaneswar mediation.
Let it be before this one.
For 33 High Court, 33,000. What are you talking? I'll stay the proceeding. I have stayed the proceeding. I stay the proceeding and sort it out and pay the money. Yes.
Day fixed minutes. Day fixed minutes for accident.
Yes, awaiting mediation report. List it after 2-3 weeks.
For the mediation minutes, I will appear date.
The coordinator will fix a date and intimate. Okay.
24. May I please also. The order of VW and conditional NBW.
Check amount is 33,000 something. Below. In view of the amounts involved in this. Correct reports. Yes. Yes.
The order of DW and conditional NBW issued in the execution proceeding arising out of the maintenance proceeding.
Maintenance.
Yes. So because
who are you?
On merit, I am confessing on merit I am not here. But because of my poorness, I could not pay the monthly maintenance.
Before marriage, you should have thought
that
I'm poor, I'll not marry. Once you marry, then you have to manage your maintain your wife.
Before marriage, everything was work.
What to do?
The situation as compared with the petitioner.
I'll just issue notice. Let us see. Yeah.
What I pay for
maintenance, you have to pay.
Some amount. The area amount is
Letter come. We'll see.
Yes.
Simply issue notice. Yes.
The NBW.
NBW is issued.
Yes. NBW had the order dated 29/8/24.
The execution of NBW issued on 29/8/2024.
In execution proceeding number.
Captain events issued in execution case number 34 of 2024 shall be kept in events subject to the petitioner appearing before the court on or before 25th of February. Yes. And I'll dispose it up. Why don't you go there? I'll dispose up the entire petition. And all the whatever you want to say, you go and
yes,
say.
yes. I will file the remedy available on 126(2). That was
whatever you want to do it.
Yes.
Petitioner is seeking
because it's expert.
Petitioner is seeking cancellation of NBW issued by which court? The family judge Jagat Singhpur in TRP execution
family court
number 34 of 2024 by its order dated 29/8/2024 whereby 2024. Then consequently the petitioner submits that on instruction that the client would appear before the court on or before so subject to appearing petition and we show to the remedy and accordingly the petition is for. Yes.
Oh, bless.
25.
Might please allow it. The petitioner is seeking quashing of the affair on the ground of compromise. Parties are here and the ground compromise.
294/506 386/34. Yes.
Parties are here.
What is this says?
Affair lost on 19th, they compromised on the next date. If petition filed on 22.
What are the allegations? Let us see.
The allegation is that this both petitioner number 1, he called the informant
and threatened him after some time about 10 p.m. So 10 12 anti-social spirit Stone on the house and the incident is valued by throwing bomb.
Well, petitioner number one, compromise only against petitioner number one. Petitioner number two is not before your lordship.
No, no. What have you used? Just a bomb.
Not a bomb, my lord. से टिक्का मारो करचंदी ये भूल है
This is the allegation. Throwing a bomb. Yes. And also threatening by throwing gun. And further they are so and so. And 10 to 12 persons.
My lord, I'm reading out the FIR, my lord.
I have read it.
FIR first line अच्छी महावीर बोलो ताको फोन कले कहले कि तम फैक्ट्री आगे रे
and all of 10 to 12% came, pelted the stone, bomb, and thereafter shown the gun and threatened. This is the allegation.
My lord, after the first line there is a second accused, my lord. He came at 3 bombs. That is allegation.
I don't know how many are there.
Yes. First allegation
Simply issue notice, get the status. Yes.
Already I am
maybe see the allegation. Without knowing anything, I'll pass it merely because
both informant and here
maybe. Why this why has he made an allegation? Throwing bombs, showing a gun, and 10 to 12 people are there.
Compromise लिखी भी संदेश खाली petition number one.
I don't know. Maybe the informant has taken the name of 10 people and will start collecting money from all of them.
No money transaction, my lord.
I'll just check it up. Yes. Issue notice, get the status.
My lord, there is a exigency, my lord. This petitioner number
it can't be quashed because why don't you understand? See, allegations are so serious.
My lord, at least if this petitioner number one has his marriage on 2nd of February, at least no coercive action.
I can't do those things.
Yeah, I get allegation. Petitioner number one against it.
I don't know you. Why don't you understand the implications?
I understand, my lord. Since there are names
you
of both
understand the implication. If the allegations are so serious, investigation when the FIR was registered,
19.
Except the copy of an FIR, you have not filed a single document.
Well, no other proceedings have
and the 482 proceedings are to be taken so lightly.
Well,
murder case and compromise quashing.
Not a murder case, my lord. Even that.
I don't know what had happened. How many injured are there? Bomb. You have thrown a bomb.
No injury, even, my lord.
Because you are saying.
No, the informant himself.
I'm asking whether injury is there not. That is why I issued notice. Let us see if any injury is there. Anything has happened. Somebody died or somebody not died. I am not entitled to know. You will say whatever you say. That is correct. I'll not ask the investigating officer.
On 19 January, FIR logged on 19 January.
But your lordship may.
Let us see if any injury has taken place, any serious damage has caused or not. I'm not declining your petition. I'm just issuing notice. Let us understand what is happening.
Well, a simple prayer, my lord. At least till 3rd of February, petition number one against.
Right, I'll reject it.
No, my lord.
Petitioner is quashing up for the FIR.
I'm not saying that. Because
that's what you want.
Because his marriage is that's why I was.
Marriage, what to do? Without knowing anything, I'll quash it. I'm issuing notice. I'll put it next week. Let them come forward. What exactly has happened? Then thereafter I'll quash it. Wait for 1 week. If your conduct is such, you are not entitled to marry also. Throwing bomb in somebody's house, showing gun, going inside the house, and all these are the allegations. I'll just issue notice. When is the marriage?
2nd of February, my lord.
You just see, Mr. Bishwal, just see that.
I'll take instruction.
Don't create problem for the marriage. Tell the IO. Okay? He'll tell the IO.
Okay.
Personally, you just call and just say yes. Yes. Simply issue notice to get the status. Yes.
26. I may be pardoned, my lord, in 26, item number 26. No copy has been served on us, number one. I have certain grievances before your lordship. Your lordship, this appellant has been convicted and sentenced.
Mr. Das, let us see the grievance of the petitioner first.
My lord, no copy has been served. Let it come up next week, and your lordship has
1 minute.
already.
Yes. If it required, you will do it. What?
Copy has already been served.
It's all right. What is this case? What is this case is about?
Appellant convicted under section 13(2) of PC Act. And
Okay. Sentence. What is the sentence?
3 years, madam.
3 years.
And fine 10,000.
It is a fresh appeal. 3 years sentence.
My lord, my grievance before your lordship that your lordship has already admitted these appellants another appeal bearing number CRLA 1015 of 24 by indicating the name of the Lornet AGA. No copy has been served.
It's all right to undertake to serve.
This appeals copy has not been served. Let both the copies be served and let it be taken up next week. Let both matters be said next week.
1 minute. 1 minute. Usual and then likho by Mr. Sanjay Das at the outset has objected the admission of the appeal on the ground that a copy of the petition has not been copy of the appeal has not been served. Then counsel for the petitioner undertakes to serve the copy of the appeal paperwork within during the course of the day. Give a copy during the course of the day and all other forms.
And also another copy in CRLA 1015. Your Lordship have already admitted.
And that has been admitted already.
Your Lordship has admitted by
Okay,
indicating
please tell him with please tell him with tone. Yes.
the name of HA.
During the course of the day, you give.
Yes.
Yes.
And the date may be.
Not complied, it is seen. HA. It relates to vigilance.
Yes.
And my prayer before your Lordship that registry may be directed to indicate vigilance in the cause list.
That is correct.
Okay, vigilance confusion. Yes. Yes. Next.
Your Lordship put it to next week.
No, I have admitted and usual order I passed and I have recorded your objection, directed her to supply the copy during the course of the day. Okay.
This copy as well as CRLA 1015.
Give a copy. What? Yes. Okay. Next.
And also I may pray to indicate my name in 101524.
Yes. Both the petition tag, both the matter tag so that his name will come. Yes. 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 Next week. Yeah, he will fix. Next.
I is there, 2 IA is there.
Everything allowed, madam. Everything allowed. Yes.
Oh, copy देंगे। I mean, pardon, 47.
I have written that during the course of hearing, the affidavit is handed.
I'm giving. Yes.
Okay, lease it after a week. Okay. After week.
Short prayer. After 12, because I'll be going
after 12.
Auspicious occasion.
12, don't go on 12. That's dangerous day.
Trumpet.
Don't go. Yes, 12, 11th and 12th is not safe. Because if some auspicious thing is there. There is a guideline, just check it up. 11th and 12th. And 26th. These are the three.
I'm contacting the growing there.
You just check it up and go. Yes.
Let's do that for your process.
Yes.
28 May, please. The Belgium matter.
Yes, tell me.
Based on bail on 23/8/2017.
NVW?
October 2024 matters.
8 October 500. Yes.
Highly glitched. 29. Highly glitched. May I please your lordship? The NPW of Paris against the present petitioners, your lordship, the complaint petition filed by the wife.
Tell me the date when you got the bail.
I am not on bail.
Not on bail, no? Okay. None of them are on bail.
No, petitioner number 1 is the mother-in-law and petitioner number 2.
They were shown absconder.
Absconder, yes.
Charge sheet has been filed in this case on 10/12/2020, showing the petitioner as an absconder. Subsequent thereto, NVW has been issued by order dated 24/12/2024. 24. 500 each. Yes.
30.
Earlier bail on 27/9/23, lordship, and NBW issued on the 8/12/23, lordship.
23.
Yes.
Okay, 500. I could do this. Yes.
31.
4/6/2019, my lord. The individual issued on 29/9/23, my.
Okay, 500. Yes.
32.
My lord, earlier petition was granted bail by this honorable court, my lord, in a bail number 8933, my lord. My lord, the date of NBW 5724.
Date of bail, you tell me.
My lord,
Date.
my lord, we are on police bail, my lord.
Date, tell the date.
My lord, there is no particular date, but the order sheet shows that we are on the date of 313. Charge bail, we have not option, so that NBW has been issued.
Yes, next.
33.
33, my lord, the petitioners were on bail on different dates, my lord. Para 5 I have written.
Para
the dates. Para 5.
NBW?
NBW is on 2011-2025.
500 each. Yes.
May I please your lordship? May I please your lordship? My lord, I am in the VC, your lordship.
Yes, madam.
My lord, bail order date is 21/2017 and NBW issue 5/7/2024, my lord.
5/7,
24.
2024. Okay, 500 each.
Oblige your lordship. May I please your lordship? My lord, release bail order 11/8/2028 and NBW issue the 5/3/2014.
5/3 to 14. NBW 14. Wow.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, 1000. Yes.
Oblige.
I beg to submit, my lord. I was earlier on the petition was earlier on bail due
21/12/2022
on
and bail
21st.
121/8/2014.
NBW
NBW was 21/12/2022.
22. Okay, 500.
37.
Earlier he is on bail on 10/6/2013. NBW was issued on 2/1/23.
Okay, 500 each. Yes.
38.
Earlier he was on bail on 22/1/24. NBW was issued on 3/1/25.
500.
Oblige.
39.
You was on bail, my lords, and thereafter 13/9/2023, NBW was issued against the President Petitioner, my lords.
500.
Oblige.
Earlier the petition released on bail 3/11/2025. Date of NBW my lord 5/10/2024.
Okay, 500.
41.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I am in virtual mode, my lord. My lord, the case is under section 376 2 clause N 294 509 506 452 34 of the
Yes, yes.
Indian Penal Code, my lord.
Custody.
And this is the
My lord, your lordship, in this case, your lordship was not inclined on that day because victim has
My lord,
stated
my lord.
that was supported by other witnesses, and he has filed a miscase for your lordship, as usual, your lordship has stated, so he has filed a miscase. So I have to take instruction in that.
Miscase for what?
For
My
interim
lord, the mother of the petitioner is suffering
Interim
from
bail.
cardiac arrest. Yes,
I have to
interim
take-
bail.
Lordship, keep
My
in
lord,
next week.
Okay. Miscase number?
Miscase number, so these are 25.
Huh?
131 of 2025.
There is no miscase here.
Copy to the now.
Have you filed the miscase?
Yes, your lordship.
It's not there, sir.
My lord, yesterday I have filed for that reason.
Yesterday you filed. Land Counsel for the petitioner submits that yesterday he has filed an application for interim bail, and a copy of the same has already been supplied to the State Council. We will State Council to seek instruction regarding the same. Release the matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Oblige, your lordship.
May I please, your lordship, the offence is under NDPS 22 BC and total quantity of ganja seized is 128 kilo 300 grams. The petitioner is in custody since 27/11/2023. Charge sheet has been filed, but trial has not yet begun, my lord. And he has no criminal antecedent.
Yes.
Exclusive position, my lord, that has been seized.
Hmm?
From his exclusive position, that has been seized.
Exclusive position.
In custody period,
Call
not enough.
for a report from the trial court. After 3 minutes. I'm calling for a report. What is the state?
No problem.
I will also take the antecedent part.
53.
That matter.
1 month. Yes.
That matter, lordship may kindly look to your lordship's order dated 8/1.
8/1.
Yes, 8/1/25.
Yes.
Last line. Let the petitioner file an affidavit. Para 8.
Yes.
And your lordship, I'm a copy not doing and come copy or can
No, this is also my lord, that case, my lord and senior will, my lord,
They don't know.
place
They
it
don't
before
know.
lordship
We can-
regarding the bar under section 37.
That
case is.
yes, ma'am. Because many such cases are coming.
What cases, three cases are there, three
My lord,
antecedents are there against this petition.
Yes.
Two antecedents similar nature, not three. My lord,
Three out of.
my lord, I have,
Two single.
We have filed an my lord, I have prepared a note and
And I have relied a decision of the
Wrong.
CORAM ethics court.
ଦେଖିଲି ସେଇଟା ନା ନା ସେଇଟା
NCT.
NCT ତ ସେଇ same same ହଁ same same
State by the inspector of police.
ହଁ
Be wrong.
ନା ମୋ ସିଗୁଟା କାହିଁ ଏଇଟା ତ ଏଇଟା
ବି କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଆଉ ତାପରେ ହେଇଥିଲା anticipation ଦେଇଥିଲେ। ଏଇଟା 2022
ପଢୁ
This is important. Likely means possibility in future.
yes
That is important.
yes that is my lord I could get only
Possibility in future.
yes 72
Likely to have official dealing. Show me that 1970 to
Yes.
4.
I have I have marked that portion.
This is in a different context also.
Context. That but Black's Law Dictionary I have searched
Huh.
and also I have gone through it. And interpretation of statute I have also while going through it. I could only gather this much. But my learned friend has given me some decision wherein the Honorable Supreme Court has taken a different view that is against me. That is against me. Your Lordship may kindly
This is the judgment you have.
that judgment.
Two judgments are there.
ସେଇଟା ନୁହେଁ
Out ଅଛି
ହଁ ନାଇଁ ମୋହିତ ତା ପାଖରେ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ମୋହିତ ଅଗ୍ରୱାଲ ସେଇଟା ହଁ
B. Ramu you are saying.
ନାଇଁ
With
Mohit Agrawal. Mohit Agrawal, your lordship may kindly see that summary.
First lordship.
ଆମ କାମ ସରୁ ତାପରେ କହିବି
ହଁ
instruction ନେବି ନା।
ଦେଇନୁ ଯଦି instruction ନବୁ ନା ନେବୁ
Yes.
ହେଲା ନବୁ ଯଦି ନେ we don't have any problem. Summary NCB appeal against the so and so allowed the even rehearse the confessional statement, the other circumstantial evidence brought on record by NCP ought to have dissuaded the High Court from exercising the discretion in favor of the accused. My lord, so far as my case is concerned, there is no other, my lord, nothing against me except the confessional statement.
In the present case.
And that apart, my lord, in all the both the cases, I have been granted bail by this honorable court.
No, so therefore the second condition is the first condition is satisfied. Twin test. The second one is creating problem for you.
Second, yes.
I am satisfied. Therefore, I have granted you bail.
Yes.
But what about how to get out of the second
My lord, likely to,
petition?
my lord, likely to have committed, likely to commit.
That's what
That is-
my view, but the
is-
Supreme
is
Court
so.
judgments are
Yes,
otherwise.
my lord, that is on recorded NCP ought to have dissuaded the High Court from exercising the discretion in favor of the other circumstantial evidence brought on record. There is no other circumstantial evidence brought on record in this case, my lord. Your lordship was pleased to note it in your lordship's order that.
I know that
Yes.
on merit I am satisfied. The
Yes.
first condition is satisfied.
Yes.
There are two in condition has to be
One it, yes.
the second condition for that only the
Reasonably, my lord, that
property.
part, reasonably, that has also been,
reasonably is regarding the again merits.
yes.
That I am satisfied. There
Only
you need not
likelihood,
labor.
only
The
likely.
second condition
Yes, possibility,
possible.
possibility. But my submission is on.
For that you are relying upon 72, 72.4. Let us see Ramu then. Let us see the Ramu. Yes, Ramu.
Ramu, my lord, your lordship's paragraph 9,
10.
That likely,
paragraph 9, 10 and 10, my lord.
that likely.
It is
Reasonable.
It is apposite to note that the High Court not only omitted to record any such satisfaction, but has rather completely ignored the factum of recovery of narcotic substance
That is
multiple times in the commercial quantity.
That is my lord, that stand on a different footing altogether. Possession, it was recovered from the possession, but so far as I am concerned, there is nothing.
Multiple times the commercial quantity, the previous case, 2 cases have to be seen, my lord.
My lord, that those are also.
In that cases, my lord, in this case also.
No, this is this is nothing to do with the issue which I am raising.
Yes.
Antecedents are there.
Yes.
Antecedents are there. In this case, on merit also she has a case. No problem. I have granted bail. But the condition she is asking for variation of that condition.
Regular bail je setu ta possession asti ସେଥିରେ ବି ନାହିଁ confessional statement. There is nothing, no confessional. Yes, yes, yes,
That
yes.
was allowed by the High Court.
Yes.
Then the Supreme Court has stated that since there is 2 antecedents are there, for that reason that was.
But there was recovery. But so far as I am concerned, there is.
Let's see, give the judgment to madam. इसको रखो साथ में. ये सब रखो. The judgment you give it and put it next to it.
The lordship, my lord,
I'll put it next week because
Next
see
week.
the judgment. Yes.
oh bless. ନେଇଯାଉଛି ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଦିଅ
Yes.
ତମକୁ
Next week.
ସେଇଟା ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ରାମ ନୁହେଁ ସେଇଟା
44. Yes, sir.
Item 45, I'm appealing for the respondent, my lord, on behalf of Mr. This is that review petition, my lord. I have filed, your lordship may kindly remember that a year of order, in the operating part of the order, year was mentioned is wrong with 2018 instead of 2016, man. And we have filed a miscase for that reason for correction of that.
Typographical error.
Your lordship may kindly see the page 25.
20?
Page 25.
25. Okay. Yes. Yes.
In view of the above, there is the operative part. Order in miscase number 779 of 2018.
Name 25, huh?
Minor.
Yes. 25 something.
Order. This honorable court's order.
20. It starts from?
It starts from other decisions referred.
21. 21. We are reading the order dated 14/3/2018.
14/3/2018.
Which part? Last part.
Last part.
Okay.
In view of the above order, in miscase number 779 of 2018, the FAO stands dismissed. This is 18, but actually there is 499 of 2016, man.
Okay. Then I'll correct this.
My lord, I have filed a miscase, my lord.
Then I'll correct it. Typographical. Then what happens? Why review then?
It is calm or not?
Oh, the review is only on this ground.
This ground on the ground, my lord. This review has no, my lord. Review is not in this ground.
Then
this matter was taken up before lordships. On that day, your lordships was marked that the order was operating part of the order unless that has been modified. So review cannot be taken with that review petition. Because we are in our review petition, we have everywhere we have mentioned that 2006.
Suppose I'll correct, then
Then my lord, on merit, my lord, this is your lordship.
you tell me on merit, I'll allow your application for modification and dismiss the review then.
Your lordship,
That's what you want to say.
So only that should be corrected.
Then I'll correct it. The allow application I'll allow. But the review is the same on the ground of delay. I have dismissed all this.
On the ground of delay, my application was not heard by this honorable court because there was several days delay for filing of the FAO. For that reason, that was dismissed. Against that order, this review.
Then I have allowed dismiss all the petitions.
Yesterday, my lord, your lordship was pronounced the judgment.
The IA number first, IA number 120 of 2024. For the reasons stated in the application, the same is allowed, and the typographical error occurred in the impugn order dated 14/3/2020 18 in
FAO number 499.
in FAO number 449 of 2006 stand corrected. In the operating part of the impugn order, instead of the FOU number being 499 of 2000.
779 of these are orthodox, 779 of these are solo.
Yes, instead of 449 of 2016, 799 779 of 2018 has been mentioned.
It actually order ta thik achi. Miscase ro jo order ta your lordship mein kindly say first order first in first.
I know second part it is wrong.
Miscase number ta 779 jet like dele.
Yes. In the last part of the last part of the order.
Khali 16 hobo 2018 jaga. How so thik achi.
Okay, 2016. Okay. And insofar as the review petition is concerned, in view of the judgment passed by this court, judgment first item 1, review of judgment shown below, the review petition is stands dismissed. Stands dismissed.
So bless me.
No matter review. Yes.
45. My lord, item 45. I am in person, my lord. My lord, that the contempt petition dismissed for default on 6/9/24, my lord. Due to my illness, I could not attend the court, for which case dismissed, contempt petition dismissed. My lord, I filed a restoration.
Right. For the reasons stated in the application.
Contempt petition.
Yes. First of all, the second contempt, third contempt, all these things. What is the main order you show me?
My lord, contempt case number.
No, contempt. Forget about what is your complaint about. You tell me the order. What is the order dated 12/4/2019?
My lord.
1 minute. 12/4/2019. Where is the order there?
My lord, the order passed by the division bench for recording of a suit land in behalf of DT, my lord. That is the property belongs to Sri Satyavadi Gopinath Dev, DJ Sakhi Gopal. I have filed the writ petition, but honorable court, my lord and court, honorable court, my lord, directed to record the land, and commissioner endowment is empowered. He will do this needful for brought into the record suit land, but they did not. Till today, they have not regularized the case.
Take consequence of it. 4 weeks time was granted, 2019. Thereafter, you filed the contempt. What to do?
My lord,
See, in 12/4/2019, the Writ Court passed some order saying that 4 weeks time is granted to dispose of this thing. It was not done. He filed a first contempt now. Contempt court gives another 2 weeks, 2 months time. That is also not complied. Thereafter, he filed the second contempt, which is dismissed in default.
dismiss for default, my lord.
How far it you take it up?
My lord, I could not appear at the time of call, my lord, only.
I understand, sir. Where is the contempt? The limitation is already gone.
No, my lord, contempt. After first contempt, limitation is there, my lord.
No, there is, this is not the law. Law is the contempt from the original order.
My lord, original order direction.
Keep on filing 1,000 contempt. What is the meaning of it? 1 year from the date of the main order.
My lord.
That's all. The limitation goes.
My lord, Lord and Court direct.
By way of the first of all, with due respect, in the first contempt, the time could not have been extended. Even if it is extended, even then the limitation goes. Why should I restore the second contempt?
Court has given liberty
completely beyond the jury law.
My lord, one week
You
time
do
is-
one thing. You do one thing. You have the fresh cause of action. You file a fresh writ petition instead of that.
My lord, court has given liberty, my lord, to file second contempt, my lord.
That is the reason. That is the reason I'm saying you please resort to that remedy. Contempt doesn't lie. Why should I restore it? You are spoiling the best. What you call? You got the relief. Where is that liberty?
My lord, contemptor pay for time to carry out the order of the Honorable High Court, my lord. That is the division bench order, my lord.
Where is that? Show me.
My lord, 1 week time may be given. I will produce everything, my lord. I am fasted for it.
Okay, simply adjourn. Simply. See, this is adding to confusion.
My lord, I will confirm.
You please give me that order by
lord.
which the liberty is granted to you.
My lord.
I will reiterate that liberty and dispose of your this petition, so that you get fresh cause of action and to proceed. Okay. Further or detail further. Yes. 46.
46, my lord. It is for default. 17/5/2023.
What was that? This is what?
482 application,
482.
my lord.
In what are you asking in 482?
Two brothers. 307 was not added at the time of lodging affair. Subsequently, it has been added. And two shall.
What are you asking in 482?
Quashing of affair.
Oh, is there any res judicata? You file it a fresh one. Why are you asking for this?
The interim order of that was there.
Okay, please. He is interested in interim order. He is not interested in quashing.
That was there.
Okay, for the reason stated in the application, the same is allowed. The
From dismissal,
what is that? The TRLMC number 2404 of 2021 is restored to its original file. Leaves the matter for hearing after 2 weeks. Yes.
Public. 47. 47, my lord. I have challenged in this appeal the order passed by the commissioner, lack of jurisdiction, my lord. And here, my lord, delay is 1 day. Lordship, I condone the delay.
Yes.
I am appealing for the response number 1 to 4. And the defect is there. The
Notice has been issued already.
I have so much.
No.
I have so much.
Delay, delay application is allowed for the reason stated in the application. Issue notice in the FAO, you issue notice, so and so accept notice, release the matter for hearing.
My lord, this case is there, day of the. Here, my lord, I have challenged, the award has been passed without jurisdiction, and a point of law is involved. And another is the driver was not holding the effective driving license. These 2 points are filed this out. Lordship may stay the award we have already deposited.
You have deposited.
Yes.
What I want to
Not to disperse the award.
But even if it disburse, you have a right to,
No, my lord,
you know,
once-
recover.
Once it is dispersed, then it will be difficult. A lot.
What difficulty? You, insurance company, you can get it, what?
No, my lord, the learned commissioner will disperse the amount unless the stay order is passed.
You have deposited.
Yes.
What do you say? I'll hear it and finish it up.
Yes, lordship will hear.
Your lordship,
What is the about amount? What is the about amount?
Award amount, my lord, 12 lakhs.
12 lakhs?
My lord.
Total amount. 12 lakhs 26,738.
Yes,
Okay.
my lord.
On the basis of Pranay Shetty applied?
Pronouncedly not
No.
applicable here.
Not. You see,
Employees
Not
number.
Ishikesh.
W.
Okay, it's all right. You pay, why don't you settle?
Yes, madam.
And
We'll go
High
for
Court.
settlement. madam.
No, my lord.
How much you will
cannot
pay
be settled because the award has been passed by the learned commissioner without jurisdiction. The High Court has no jurisdiction to pass the award. That point I have challenged.
It's need to be heard then. Okay. Issue notice, review, and the counsel for the appellant submits that the award amount of 12 lakhs so has already been deposited with the where have you deposited?
My lord, I have deposited
Deposited with the commissioner. It is 12 lakh 26,738. Deposited with the commissioner of
yes.
wherever it is.
Commissioner Cutter.
Commissioner wide.
Return.
Visit of Sibo Sankar. Stay here, sir.
Whenever it don't know, we praise for the 80 of disbursement of the same. The disbursement of the compensation amount already deposited with
Yes.
state till further orders. This is the matter for hearing. After 2 weeks,
Yes, madam. Yes, lordship.
you give the wherever you have deposited.
Next case is, we have settled the.
Settle.
Yes. With the order.
No, I have brought two orders. One of your lordship's order, another is the other order.
Whatever settlement, you change that and give it.
No, with respect to your lordship's order, one paragraph 3, your lordship say, this will create not problem for me, but for all the insurance company. Para 3.
You want this to be there?
That settlement para 3, your lordship.
3 years. The parties have entered into a settlement.
That will create, because we are not authorized to, but it's because your lordship is deciding on merit.
You change it. That.
No, I brought.
Oh, you give that. I have changed it. Okay.
This may be. That
You wanted that direction. It is reduced.
That doesn't done to.
Okay. In the record.
But
Okay. The pension you have changed it in the pension.
Yes. Everything has been
47, huh? 47 is allowed. 48. Sorry, 48. Done.
So item 49, your lordship, for a moment. Your lordship, item 49. I'm really sorry, your lordships. Your lordships, they should change the cause title and make CBI party, and the matter may be adjourned, your lordships. It is Republic of India.
Republic of India, don't write Republic of India.
No, this is a case that was filed.
It's all right, but now change to CBI.
My lord.
I'll list it after week. Okay. Change it. Shall I issue notice and you reply, I'll hear it.
Lordship may issue notice and list it after 2 weeks. In the meantime, I'll seek instructions.
I'll issue notice after 2 weeks. I'll list. Meanwhile, you change it.
Interim order may continue because lower court.
Interim order is there. Right now. For the petitioner seeks to amend the cause title of the petition. Issue notice to
I don't know whether there is an interim order or not. If there is interim order, then it may continue.
If interim order is there, it will continue. Okay. Least after 3 weeks.
3 months.
No.
That is my limited grievance.
Not 3 months, notice, huh?
3 weeks.
3 weeks, why 3 months?
No, no, 3 weeks per and to issue
Notice
notice.
was not issued, na?
It was already issued. CBI has been heard at length.
Okay, notice is not required then.
My lord.
It's all right, only command the court title will highly.
And my name is not being reflected in the cost title. My name. I have given.
Name cost title.
Kindly fix a short date, my lord.
Yes.
My lord.
Yes, he'll give.
Consent for my he is appearing for the petitioner. The record which I have created is not reviewed.
Okay. 62.
62.
Okay, 62 adjournment could be. 62.
Okay,
Okay.
date, my lord.
Ah, date will be fixed, sir. Yes.
The file.
Yes. 5.
Wait for quashing of annexure 1 matter, page 13 matter.
Yes.
The petitioner is the husband.
Yes.
Her wife lost affair against him on 38/2000.
There are 3 FIRs you have mentioned.
Minor.
What are these?
Minor 3 affairs lodged on 38/2024 before the plant site PS. And another file in Chirpani 19/24.
What are these FIRs?
My lord, similar affair has been lodged on plant site and Chirpani. That is FIR first annexure 1 lodged before the plant site under section 85, 115/2, 351/2, 35. Again on 1/9/2024, similar filed before the Chirpani PS, my lord. That is annexure 2. And offences are same.
Dowry and all. I'll issue notice. Issue notice.
Notice is issued, man.
Notice issued.
My lord. Notice sufficient. And the wife
Yes.
The affairs are there, man. Since the lawsuit has already issued notice.
Service sufficient.
Ask credit.
Through IIC again, sir. Through IIC. Serve the opposite party number 2. Least after 2 weeks. Despite service on opposite party number 2, none appears for opposite party number 2. In the interest of justice, opposite party to be served through the IIC of Chirpani police station. Please matter and so on. Yes.
Item 90.
Lordship, may I fix up it?
Item 19, just to recapitulate, my lord, may kindly turn to the complaint petition at page 14.
What are you seeking? There was notice was issued?
Yes, my lunch senior has appeared.
Okay.
My lord, just to recapitulate myself, my lord, I am just placing page 14 for a moment.
Yes, sir.
My lord, a check dated 27/2023 for amount of rupees 13 lakhs was bounced. She filed the case claiming 26 lakhs in total. During pendency of the case, my lord, the petitioner, before your lordship, paid 13 lakhs in installments. It is not a lump sum, in installments it was paid. Then I filed a petition under 258 CRPC to drop the proceeding. The learned court below passed this order under annexure 1.
Check amount is 26.
No, 13 lakhs.
Okay. 13 you have already paid.
13 lakhs I paid, but in installments.
Okay.
And installments were accepted without prejudice by the complainant.
Yes.
When I filed the application under 258 CRPC, the learned court below directed to me to pay rupees 3,30,000 as litigation expenses and compensation.
How much you pay? Last time I put it.
Yes, my lord, I was calculating the money. If the money is paid, interest, if your lordship sees, even if 7.5%, which is in the higher side, it will come to,
Hmm.
it will come to 97,000. And whatever compensation which your lordship feels to do.
Yes, sir, you tell me.
But your lordship on the
There is
last-
nothing big law about it. You take some money and finish it up. What?
No, that.
You got your money back.
97,000 will be the interest.
And
Till date.
compensation, your lordship knows 138.
How much you tell me? Forget about it.
It is between 1.5 to 2.
Give 1.5, please. 330. You give
330 where he got? Matlab,
Forget
I am
about
putting a question to myself.
don't. These are not adjudication. Just simply pay
No,
150.
Once she accepted the money without any prejudice, she could have said that no, I will not accept the money. She has accepted the money. Even if that is deducted, your lordship may kindly see the 258 petition.
Then you have to pay 10% interest.
But I am calculated on 75%.
10% interest because the judgment says 10%.
But even if
Okay.
10%, it will be 1 lakh.
Then I say that you pay 10% interest on the amount from the date of dishonour.
But that will also come 1,10,000 or 20,000.
If that is there, then I'll pass that out.
But your lordship may make it 1,25,000. I pay the money.
1.5 because I was.
Oh, matter of 1,000, 10,000 to 5,000. Why are you?
It is between 1.
To make 130, huh? 130. Okay, 130. Petitioner is aggrieved by the order dated 9/12/2024, whereby his application under section 258 CRPC praying for dropping of the proceeding for proceeding initiated by opposite party under section 138 NIA has been turned down. Mr. Bose, legal counsel for the petitioner, submits that it is an admitted facts on record that towards the dishonour of check of rupees 13 lakhs, the petitioner has paid the entire amount to the opposite party, although on installment. This aspect is not disputed at the bar by the opposite party. Number 2. After having paid the entire check amount, the petitioner moved an application under section 258 CRPC for dropping of the proceeding. While disposing of the said application, the trial court has directed to pay 3,30,000 towards the litigation expenses and compensation. The operating part of the order, impugn order, reads as under. It is liquido para page 10 para last parata. Hence for liquido. The matter was argued at length, and on the proposition of from the when the on the proposition fell from the court, the parties have left it to the court to decide the litigation expenses and compensation. I am up for the considered review that the petitioner shall pay 1,30,000 towards the litigation expenses and compensation. Accordingly, the impugn order is modified to that extent, and the proceeding initiated by opposite party against the petitioner in ICC number ICC NI number case number 40 of 2023 is dropped, subject to petitioner making good the payment of rupees 1,30,000 within a period of
2 months. Well, 2 installments. Because here 1,30,000 at a stretch, it will be difficult. 2 months will lordship. I leave it to your lordship.
Make it within 4 weeks.
Well, at least in installments, I can also pay because that your lordship may.
He's such a seasoned man. You can tell he will not also. He will say that don't pay.
Landlord, my landlord senior is not the counsel there, nor I'm there. In installments, your lordship within 4 weeks, I'll pay.
In the 2 installments.
Yes.
4 weeks with the 2 installments. Yes. Disposal. Yes. It is better to get the matter disposed of instead of fighting on technicality and keep on. Yes.
20. Yes. My lord, here your lordship may kindly see page 11 for a moment. This is also 138.
11.
in page 11.
Yes.
My lord, there were two checks dated 18/3/24
And 27/3/20.
27/3/24. Two checks were issued. One 1cc case was filed. This is the first mistake which I am conversing before your lordship. Thereafter, a notice was issued on.
Both the checks were deposited in the same time?
No, different dates.
Okay.
Notice was issued under 138.
Is a consolidated notice, separate notice?
No, one notice. Two checks. Notice was issued on 18/3/24. No, I'm sorry. The notice was issued on 8/4/24. That notice, that your lordship can see at page 26.
Yes.
That notice could not be served. He filed another notice on 18/4/24. That was within 30 days. First check. But dispatched it on 19. That receipt I have given at page 34. It is dated 19. Page 35.
Yes.
It is on 19. So once it is on 19th, it is dispatched, my lord. The first check within 30 days is to be presented. That amount, that becomes infructuous. Second check, yes, there can be.
Madam, Mr. Bose, the petitioner is seeking quashing of the ICC case number 4, initiated by the party under section 138 MA. Mr. Bose, counsel for the petitioner submits that the 138 NIA case has been initiated against the petitioner on the allegation that two checks dated 18/3/2024 and 27/3/2024 issued by the petitioner in favor of the opposite party has been resolved. The petitioner initially issued the where is that
It's 26.
No, 20?
26, madam.
Petitioner initially issued a legal notice, a consolidated legal notice for regarding the dishonor of both the checks on 8/4/2024, which appears to have not been served on the opposite, on the petitioner. Therefore, he has repeated the second notice on 18/4/2024. Notice 138, Saturday notice and 138 bracket B. Mr. Bose submits that insofar as the second notice which has been served, second notice 18/4/2024 is concerned, if the limitation is reckoned from that day, the first check issued on
8/4.
18/3/2024
18/3
shall be barred under limitation, barred under limitation. Hence, the complaint qua that check is was not entertainable due to the bar under limitation. Issue notice to opposite party opposite party. So and so. In the meantime, the proceeding before the SDM Sonpur in criminal ICC number 27.
Yes, ma'am.
17 of 2024 is state. Yes.
But 17 of 2014.
Or 2014.
14. Yes, ma'am.
Where were you?
The proceeding now started. I'm sorry, Melody. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 17 of 24.
That's what
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Rightly, I've seen it 24.
Yes, madam.
Yes.
I can.
14 means to 10 years.
My lord, we forget the eagle's eye is watching us. It's 17 of
24. It's state. Yes.
Grateful.
52. But the first check, then again, the another problem would be If half of the complaint can't go, the complaint
Entire has to go.
entire has to go.
Because he should not have clubbed up both the things.
That's the problem he will be facing. The entire complaint goes. I can't quash the on the ground of limitation. I can't quash the half of the the entire thing.
The entire case goes. Malad, this and that your lordship must.
He should have initiated two proceedings.
Two proceedings. Your lordship knows that GP election that 15 days clear notice, and these are completely technical issues. One day this side, because if you would have dispatched on 18th, my lord, then this anomaly would not have arisen.
See, condonation of delay in filing complaint can be condoned.
Not in the
but not in
because the wording is 30 days.
That's a difficult thing for him. Yes.
May I please? A notice was issued that was returned absentee. Lordship, press notice through IAC, my lord.
Press notice through IAC. IAC, which police station?
Is
police station. Vidyadharpur police station.
Golonthara PS.
Vidyadharpur.
Baidyanathpur se again Golonthara.
Baidyanathpur, right?
ये गोड़ोंथरा अंडर रे रहुची से informant.
No, let the yes. FIR is registered here. Let them go and do it. Yes.
I'll serve extra copy or
yes, give extra copy.
Yes.
Yes.
I have filed a IA. Petition is an advocate and informant also an advocate. That's why further proceeding may be stayed.
Application, application. We will move application. We send that to you. Yes.
Okay.
Sir, may I please, Lordship? Sir, I filed an IA for early listing, Lordship, and that IA, Lordship, I have annexed the documents which Lordship last occasion explanation. See, page 6 is the RC of the vehicle. Page 6, Lordship, in the IA, petitioner is the owner of the vehicle, Lordship, and the vehicle is in the police custody since.
What is this case, let us have?
For release of the vehicle, Lordship.
Release of
the vehicle, Lordship.
Okay.
Petitioner is the owner of the vehicle and Lordship, not named in the FIR, Lordship. The vehicle is seized from 5/10/23, Lordship. And I have approached the Lawrence Sessions Court for release the vehicle, but that has been rejected, Lordship. Therefore, I have.
Yes.
That was posted to 11th February.
Which one?
This one. 53.
Confiscation.
Adjourned to 11/2/23.
ID number 3153. Let me mention before, Lordship.
On 11th February, it is listed. The IA is allowed to list the main matter on 11th February. Yes. IA, you are seeking for filing an additional document?
I already filed in the.
IA is for earlier.
Earlier.
That's it.
Release a vehicle, what early hearing? What early hearing? 11th February. Yes. Next.
55.
My lord, I have filed IA for modification of order that
rejected and released matter. Yes.
Yeah, I have filed a IA for modification of order. I have filed a consolidated petition by correcting the petition which I have wrongly typed. That is, instead of ST case, that would be city case number 7 of 2020.
This is a fresh petition?
No. This is I filed another consolidated petition by correcting the petition which I have typed wrongly.
In view of the for reasons stated in the application, IA number 249 of 2025 is allowed, and the consolidated petition filed by the petitioner is taken into record. In view of the correction made in the petition, the original petition by way of the consolidated petition, the order dated, which order is to be corrected? The order dated 28/11/2024 passed by this court in the present petition stands corrected. And accordingly, what are the changes? Accordingly,
is
the
that in-
ST case number,
instead of ST, that would be city.
जोटी ST case होची CT case कर दो 7 हाँ 7 CT case
Yes,
number
ma'am.
7
Seven of-
instead of ST case number 7 of 2020 CT case number 7 of 2020 shall be replaced by with the rest of the outside. In view of the aforementioned confusion, petitioner could not could not appear or be surrendered before the court below. Accordingly, he seeks an extension of time. The time is extended up till 25th of February.
Yes.
February. Till then, the NBW issued by order issued by Learned Sessions Judge cum Special Judge Pulwani in a CT case number 7 of 2020, dated 22/2/2024, shall remain paid. Yes.
This forwarded application has been filed for quashing the proceeding on the ground of compromise.
What are the offenses?
Offenses 420, 465, 467, 471, 123.
Yes.
Allegation is that the informant had lost FIR on 2/3/2019. That they knew each other well, and by giving by giving an assurance to give a job.
In the railway department has
Just a minute. You don't have any role here. I'm filing an application for
Yes, tell me. Yes.
But allegation that by assurance has been given by the petitioners to give a job, and for that they have taken some money, and for that the case has been registered. Now in the meantime, they have refunded the money.
What is 468?
468
manipulated in documents.
Yes.
What?
They have given a forged appointment order.
Appointment letter.
Yes,
I am appearing on behalf
So,
of the informant.
while granting
How much
bail,
you have money?
while granting bail, this honorable court directed the petitioners, 3 petitioners are there, 3 accused persons, to give the informant 50,000 each, and they have given 50,000 each, 1,50,000, and in the court today, they have given 1.10, 1,10,000, and while the investigating officer has seized 90,000 from the petitioners, they have given an undertaking if this honorable court.
How much?
Allegation is that
from each person?
Yes, he has stated that they have taken 4,80,000 by cash, and out of 4,80,000 he has transacted 40,000 by means of account transfer, and they had
total 4,80,000.
80,000. Yes, and out of 4 lakhs,
How many victims?
one victim.
One.
Have you found out how many victims?
CD is not available in this case, Your Lordship. Let me CD come, Your Lordship. On investigation, Lordship, because
only one complaint.
rampantly is going on this type of.
That's right, but
yes.
if you have found that more than one victim is there, then the story is different.
That's right, Your Lordship.
Story is different. Have you found what is the stage? Investigation is going on.
Preliminary stage, investigation is going on.
Whether the victim is only the
Victim is
complainant
one,
or any other one.
Victim is one.
Informant has
Let us find out.
lost the FIR.
If these kind of people keep on collecting money from everybody, and out of desperation, the unemployed people arrange the money and give
That's
it,
right,
what to
Your
do? That's the problem. Who is
Yes.
Reena Maharana?
She is present.
Come here. कौन पढ़िଛ तुम? ग्रेजुएशन एमती कि पब्लिक आसी कहले आपण पैसा दे देबे चाकरी दे देबे आपण ठुक नेचन नाही माने और काट भी नहीं चलती see that's the problem. Only one to nature. This is the young people don't know anything. Out of desperation they are the victims. I'll just issue notice, huh?
He is appearing, appearance may be noted, Your Lordship has earlier occasion has
See,
issued.
you can विषय appear ही परिवो next day रे विषय appear आशय दब करना ठीक है जी next time विषय appear ठीक है जी issue notice to opposite party number 2 and
C is the opposite party. C is the opposite party.
I know that notice was not issued na
Notice
No-
was issued.
notice was already issued.
Notice
Okay,
is issued, and requisites has
So,
not been
so
filed.
the opposite party number persons to the order dated 21/1/2025, the opposite party has appeared before the court and says that and also represented by her counsel. On query from the court, she states that she had although paid how कितने किलो हाँ कितने वापस मिल रहा आपको 350 इंस्टॉलमेंट रेट इंस्टॉलमेंट पूरा तो एट टाइम से देना थी ना
That
385 she had paid 4,80,000 to the accused persons on the promise that she would be getting a job in the railways on the basis of which the FIR was registered. She has got back about 350,000, 350,000, and the remaining amount promised to be paid back to her by the petition. On the basis of the same, the petition seeking quashing of the FIR, and the opposite party number 2 has. आपलोगों की objection नहीं ना? Quash कर दो, हाँ? नहीं. Opposite party number 2 states that she doesn't have any objection if the FIR is quashed. Mr. Mohanty, legal counsel for the state APS, and submits that he would be seeking instructions regarding as to whether the petitioners have defrauded any of that victim in a similar case or not. Investigation is still going on. This is the matter. On 7th of the Tata Steel questions to be filed. On the next date of hearing, no, she should come. We see upon appearance. Even if I quash, I'll impose cost. How many of you are there? 3. She should get more than what she has paid. You have taken 4,80,000 in one go, and you are paying installment 50,000 there, to 20,000 here, like this.
No, but 4,80,000, she is saying in cash, my lord, but some exaggeration is there, my lord. That is, my lord, they have
This type of thing, do you think that they'll give in cash, check, or bank transaction?
40,000 rupees, my lord, is a transfer, my lord. They have transferred in account.
Whatever. She has paid this, and you are also agreeing how much you have paid, taken.
Lord, with much pain, my lord, they are saying that, my lord, while granting bail, they have inside the custody for a long time, my lord. When this honorable court released them, my lord, they have, your lordship has directed, my lord, to pay 50,000 each. That is, my lord, they have made 50,000 each, my lord, 1,50,000 is paid, my lord. Today, my lord, they check, a draft has been handed over to 1,10,000 rupees. And
Okay, I'll quash, but let us see. If any other victim is not there, then I'll quash.
They are also poor people, my lord. They have arranged money piecemeal wise.
They are poor people, but they are trying to make
2016
young people poorer.
I understand. But it's a case. It's a case, my lord, where, my lord, I should not say like this, my lord, but some amount she has given, my lord, and she should be
Yes,
rightly
no problem.
compensated.
I let after 1 week, rakh liyo. 1 or 2 weeks.
Your lordship, can you fix a date, my lord, so that
Date we will fix. Okay.
so that, my lord, she can appear through BC.
She can appear through BC, but accused persons should to come. They should feel the pinch of it.
All the 3 persons will come, my lord.
They will come, but let ଆପଣ ଆସନ୍ତୁନି next date ରେ ଆସନ୍ତୁନି, ଆପଣ BC ରେ ରହନ୍ତୁ. ଠିକ ଅଛି? ଠିକ ଅଛି.
A date, maybe.
Yes, next.
It's also proper extension of time surrender. It's a proper extension of time for surrender.
Extension of time for reason stated in the application. The time is extended till 25th of February to surrender. And it's made clear that no further extensions are granted. Yes. Yes.
Best.
My lordship, 58 is the extension, vigilance days, it is the extension of time. Mr. Maharana is appearing and he just told me to.
For the reasons stated in the application, time is extended up till 25th of February. And
Mr. Maharana name.
Mr. Maharana.
Mr. Maharana.
Mr. Das. Mr. Das. And no further extensions shall be granted. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? This lordship, I'd ordered it at 16/1/2025. Actually, was the proceeding Subject to, my lord, the conditions that lordships note, my lord, the directed to students to visit the jail and maintaining the hygienic, my lords. And we have already visited the, my lord, the jail, and your lordship unconditional apology also, my lord, after.
Where is that?
Yes, my lord, I have filed the.
Have they really done anything? I wanted that they should go to
Yes, yes,
jail
my lord.
and
They have
see.
personally go, they visited the jail, my lord, and give it the
If they
suggestions.
do in the future,
Exactly. Entire
they
day.
have to go to that place.
Yes, my lord, entire day
They spend there.
Yes, my lord. Let's use that certificate also obtained from the superintendent.
Where is that?
That, my lord, the IN number, flag P, my lords. IN number 332 of 2025.
And what are the suggestions they've given for jail improvement? Let us
That
see.
is your lordship, that pay stay in that certificate.
No, what are the suggestions? Have they given any suggestion?
So they have already visited, that it is some happened in your lordship may see. That is certificate that has not been reflected.
Hello. Pursuant to the order dated 16/1/2025, the petitioners have visited the tendered written apology to the informant in the present case. Also visited the Chodwar jail on
the lords, that your lordship, that 23rd January 2025.
23rd January 25. To that effect, a certificate issued by the superintendent of.
I'm sorry, Miller, that 24, Miller.
24.
24. Application file 23rd, but 24.
And where is the certificate?
Miller, the certificate page 10, Miller. Page 10 of IA, Miller.
To that effect, a certificate has been issued by the superintendent of police, superintendent of jail, circle jail, Cuttack at Chodwar. The reports is taken on record, and the IA is IA number 332 of 2025 was allowed, and allowed the FIR number so and so stands was.
That's one thing I add, Miller. So that's a good lesson to the students, Miller, because
it's very important.
Yes, actually, absolutely correct.
In their life, they will not do it.
They should know the inside.
At least they will discuss it with their friends also.
Yes, Miller.
It sends a message.
Good lesson to the Miller. Great.
Yes.
Item 60. Review is not been true, or already held in item 43 and also closed. Review limitation is dismissed. Same in my case.
Same. Review, huh? Review. In view of the order pass in item number 1. Item 1, 2, 3, 4.
Review petition number 221 of 2018 and 252 of 2018.
Review petition is not maintainable, hence dismissed. Yes. First item is the fact review petition number in view of the judgment passed by this court on such and such thing, so and so, the present review petition is dismissed. Yes.
64.
How many reviews are there? 1, 2,
64, my lord.
60, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All are same. All are same, my lord. 93 last of that set amount same.
Instead of saying that in view of that and pass the order. Because the delay periods are different and all. Better that like are you item 44. Better because the delay periods are different. Numbers are different. Let us write a full page order in every month. That's a better idea. Yes, because they would be filing, you know that.
Item 6.
ठीक है सेपरेट करो and whatever matter you have in this kind of review, you tell me. So that I'll reach it. How many remain?
I think around 10 to 15.
Huh?
Around 20 maximum.
All the 20 matters least tomorrow.
6 9.
All the 20 matters can be leached tomorrow and police. Yes. Give the numbers.
Yes, I have given 9 aspect I have given out.
Mr. Vishal will finish up why unnecessary pending. Same order will be passed today or tomorrow. Let us list it. If not tomorrow, then list it on Monday. Tomorrow, list because if I am still here, I come.
I'll try.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Give the numbers. Yes.
Obligement.
64.
Item 61. The same issue here in item 61, Miller, challenging the order passed in FAO, the review has been filed. 62. I'm for the opposite party.
Same delay.
The same thing, not delay. There is no delay, but again challenging the order passed in the FAO. He has filed the
FAOs are dismissed on what ground?
On the ground that Miller, the present review petitioner is no more in service, Miller. That's why the Land Tribunal dismissed the application on the ground that since you are not in service, so the GI case is not maintainable on his behalf. Because a person cannot.
That's a different story altogether.
No, on that ground, the matter the GI case was dismissed for default. Challenging the order of the Land Tribunal, the review petitioner filed a FAO before this honorable court. And on the same ground, referring a judgment of this honorable court that an existing employee can only file a.
That's again on merit. That has to be seen. Vishnupriya. Vishnupriya, I know that. Short date video. But these are the other matters are different. On the ground of delay, the FO is dismissed. And they file a review challenging that order. And delay ground, there can't be review. Therefore, this is the different yes. And short date I'll give. Short date. Yes.
64.
May I please, Your Lordship, my lord, in sub-item CRLMC number 4796 of 2024, Your Lordship was pleased to call for the status report from the concerned SP that on the next date, that status report, it has.
Yes. Have you gone through the status report? It's such a big one. You read it, huh? You also just see. Any address?
My lord, any other date or today?
I'll give a date. Just go through, because it's a very lengthy one. Just go through if anything.
Last portion, if Your Lordship will kind of have a glance to this. The
last portion.
Supervision has already, as per my instructions, my lord, supervision has already done, and it is found that who opined that it is a false case. Last portions of the
is not true.
Not true.
Not
so
true.
Supervision has already been done, and it is not a true case for the alleged offence under section 3 of the SC Act and 294/506. And beside that, my lord, that informant and my lord, they are also present before this honorable court.
What about the first case?
First case,
I am for the document.
not connected to the case. Though the accused person may be same, but it is different case, man.
I know different case. What are the? I want
the case. In fact, in the year 2006, while he was working as the superintendent of police GRP Cutter, some persons entered into the train buggy, collecting some working from the passengers. the TT of that Falaknama Express, he informed to the police. They came and arrested those persons and forwarded to the court. After they releasing on bail, a complaint case was filed that while arresting, he abused and all other things. That is in connection with the official duty. Your lordship judgment is there. They are completely
And
protected.
judgment is there, everything. But why this particular officer has all problems in every station?
20 no, every
No. What 2 cases I have in front of me?
all total 2.
All total 2, my lord.
Khali 20.
In
2 is not enough. In 1 case only is enough for dismissal from. You are a police officer.
My lord.
Everywhere where you are posted, you create some problem. And there is a case against you.
My lord.
Why other officers are not facing? Why you are facing? Why? Because you are you think that you are above law. That may be the reason. See the allegation in the first case. See the allegation in the second case.
Yes, my lord. Second case, my lord.
All false cases are registered against you only.
My lord, second case, my lord, SP has already, your lordship was directed to the concerned SP to supervise the matter. And what is the reason it has already been?
Don't forget one thing, that you are a police officer.
Yes, my lord.
We
have, my lord.
You can't behave in this fashion. Wherever you are posted, there is some complaint against you. And you behave with the citizen in this manner. You read it and next week put it. And something has to be done. Any departmental proceeding initiated against him?
No, my
Lordship. With lordship's permission, if lordship see the complaint case, and also your lordship will find, in fact, there is no.
And you tell me which witness will have a daring to depose against a police officer? Who is working as an IIC and now additional.
In fact, the persons who is the complainant and the persons who have been cited as the witnesses, all are accused in that case, madam.
Talking about the first case.
Yes, madam. Once is bail lu bharle, once is case karle, mu arrest karla tam gali.
Obviously this.
Second case will be, my lord, during course of my duty, my discharging of my duty, my lord.
Your high-handedness is apparent in these 2 cases. Next week, you read the report, just read the report and tell me, yes? Next week, yes.
My lord, on that date, that they will be appear personally.
Who?
That the informant, today they are
Both
present.
of them have to appear because of the reason that now the SP has filed a report, it is a false case. Not true. If it is not true, why they have made that allegation? Why they made that allegation?
And
let them come. Let them come. These people have to be taken into task, not like that. Yes, next week.
One submission, madam. In past application, your lordship issued notice to the complainant.
I'm in DC, my lord. Number 2.
Yes. In that case also you have settled. No settlement.
No.
Are you opposing in that case, Mr. Mishra?
In past case, he has not acted as per the law and he has taken them custody, ignoring the law that Hon'Ble versus State of Orissa has led them as the observation made by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. And no witnesses were there to show that the complainants were complained and other witnesses they were collecting money. That is a political party and a registered political party, and they were approaching the people as per his version. But there no such thing was happened. And inside the police station, inside the GRP police station, they were manhandled, they were beaten up, and the lady, there are 3 female persons were there. They were also abused and they were also beaten up.
In the police station, they were beaten up.
That is the allegation.
The only allegation to be tested.
They are belongs to this the one political party and they are authorized to collect that they have the submission.
See, the complaint in the second case and complaint in the first case. Are they related? No.
No.
Independent. Both of them are 2 different cases.
2 different.
One is you being in a police officer. Why? In 2 different stations.
My lord. I am
There
giving.
must be, then must be something.
No, my lord, during course of the discharge of my duty, my lord, in that report, my lord, in second case, if your lordship will visualize the fact and circumstances and then the report, then my lord, it clearly indicate when I was conducting the investigation in a murder case, highlighted case, at that time, that this, the present petitioner who is before your lordship, who is the DSP, my lord, he arrested and persons, my lord, on suspicion. Thereafter, their relative came and asked, please give me that accused to my hand. Thereafter, there are some sort of misunderstanding. Then he refused to hand over this accused person. For that reason, my lord, this case. And my lord, regarding there is no, if your lordship will kind of have a glance to this report.
All
the things are allowed in
adverse situation, let it be next week.
26 ବର୍ଷ ଚାକିରି ଭିତରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯୋଉଠି ଯାହାର ଟିକେ ସ୍ୱାର୍ଥରେ ଆଞ୍ଚ ଆସିଲା ସିଏ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଭୟଙ୍କର ହେଇଗଲା। ଆଉ ଆଜିକାଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯୋଉ ମୋବାଇଲରେ ସବୁ ମିଡିଆ ସବୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ବୁଲୁଛନ୍ତି ଧରିକି, ମାନେ ଆଉଟ ଅଫ ରେକର୍ଡ କହୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା, ସେମାନେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯାହା ହେଲେ ବି ଯୋଉଠି ଯାହାର ଟିକେ ସ୍ୱାର୍ଥ ହେଲା ପୋଲିସ ଅଫିସରଙ୍କୁ ଧର, ମିଡିଆରେ ହାଇଲାଇଟେଡ କର, ଦିସ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ଆର୍ ହ୍ୟାପନିଂ। ଆଉ ଯଦି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏମିତି ବି ଚାଲିବ, ଜଣେ ଅଫିସର ବି କାମ କରିପାରିବନି। 26 ବର୍ଷ ଚାକିରି ଭିତରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ପଇସା ଆଦାୟ କରୁଥିଲେ, ମୁଁ ଏକୁଟିଆ ଯାଇନି।
How many cases registered against you in your career?
Total
ଦିଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Can you give affidavit?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. May I pray, my lord? May I pray? ठीक है, हम दे देंगे। May I pray?
Earlier any case was registered?
No, as per our instruction, my lord, as per mine, accept this.
Please ask your client whether any case at any point of time was registered against you.
Yes, my lord.
And which you have settled or something of that sort.
Yes, we will obtain instruction.
May I pray, my lord? So far the first type of application is concerned, it will be decided on merit. There is no settlement. In second item, there
Both
is
the matters I'll hear together. Huh? Yes.
65.
Let's say paper.
Just read the report, which one you also read it.
My lord, fix up a date.
Yes, yes, treat it. Good week for a quarter. Good week for a quarter. 13.
On that day, informant and the injured will come.
30.
Let them come, yes. 13th, 1-3, yes. Yes.
Let's item 64 also paper next to let's see.
Praying for?
This next to let's see.
Next week.
65, I think that has been closed. The matter has been closed.
The same matter?
Yes, 65. I have appeared for OP2.
What is this matter?
Was it check bounce case or say?
Proceeding under 138 NI Act, in that in between the revision was filed before the London Sessions Judge, and so Sessions Judge had entertained that revision. That is why
revision against what?
Against interlocutory order. 311 petition was rejected. That is why that revision was entertained by the London Sessions Judge. That is why this present petition. In the meanwhile, I think today morning I was contacting with the conducting lawyer. He said that the matter has been closed.
The trial is concluded, then what?
The trial is concluded. I will take instructions. Not concluded.
Details instruction I have to. Let it be.
Monday, Tuesday. Get instruction. If the trial is closed, this is infructuous. Okay.
6.
Let counsel put the opposite party submits that trial in the original complaint being 1 CC case number so and so has already been concluded. Therefore, nothing survives in the matter. Counsel for the petitioner seeks to start in that regard. Please the matter Tuesday. Okay. Problems. Yes, 60.
66. Instruction from the PS.
Compromise.
Yes, sir. To that regard, affidavit has been also filed.
Yes.
This is already protected.
Yes. What is this case, by the way? Cognizance order you are telling me.
Yes, Your Lordship. Arising out of a complaint, yes. Village dispute.
Where is the informant?
Informant has also filed his affidavit.
But where is he?
But
Accused informant has to be there.
but they appeared, Your Lordship.
Appear.
Yes, Your Lordship. But as because these petitioners are there are numbers of petitioners, the Lordship had directed to take instruction.
No, last occasion I have said that pursuant to the order date so no instruction has been received by Mr. So. Where in the record there is nothing. When they have appeared. Not possible him to make the petition appear before this. Therefore, he submit the filing a joint affidavit.
2nd January.
Original bill is would be so petition so. He directed to verify the fact.
Yes.
Furnish the instruction to Maharaja on changes. But you are supposed to verify all the three cases. Who are the informants in all the cases?
One opposite party number 2.
Same informant, all the cases.
Same, yeah.
All the three cases.
All the
Just check it up.
Damayanti Parida, Your Lordship.
All the cases.
All the 3 cases, Your Lordship. No, Lordship, there are different.
That is the at least the accused persons are entire villagers, no problem.
Yes.
The informant has to come.
Lordship may then.
Informant, at least in 3 cases, 3 informant has to come and they say that yes,
They had appeared, Your Lordship, but today I don't know.
So then let the informant be there. Huh?
Yes.
Pursuant to the order dated, last order dated, last order dated 3/1/2025, Mr. Viswal has obtained instruction from the IIT Chandpur PS, instruction dated 14/1/2025 from Chandpur PS with reads as under paragraph 20. And counsel for the petitioner taking me to the order dated 20/2/2024 passed by this court submits that in all the 3 cases the petitioners are the villagers. Therefore, they parading them to this court may not be possible. That is the reason this court, by order dated 28/2/2024, directed the petitioners to appear before the investigating officer, and the investigating officer was supposed to place on record the instruction, supposed to place on record verifying the factum of settlement. The operating part of the order dated 28/2/2024 reads as under para 2. In view of the aforementioned, and counsel for the petitioner submits that the informant in all the 3 cases would be appearing on next date of hearing. Leaves the matter on Monday.
May I pray for 1 week so that
11. Okay. 11. Yes.
The State Council has requested to solve the copy of the bill.
Opposite party? Service करो ना. Service.
Service.
Any. pursuant to the order dated 27/9/2024, the IIC Manchester Police Station has not served the notice on the opposite party number 2. Therefore, Mr. Vishwas seeks a week's time to comply the order dated 27/9/2024 and lease the matter on. Yes. Next.
69.
May I please, your lordship? Let the opposite party number 2 lodged a criminal case, my lord, under section 498A, 294, 506 and 4 DPS.
Notice issued.
Notice issued, my lord, did not appear. She is divorced, married elsewhere, my lord. And the continuance of the criminal proceeding will be sheer abuse of the process of the court.
That's right. The notice was
Notice was issued on 31/7/2024.
Through police, your lordship.
Police also, my lord, everything.
Kindly direct through police notice will start.
through police it was done.
It has not been done, my lord.
No, no.
My lord, both
Last
are
of
matrimonial home, as
report has
well as
been
parental
confirmed.
home notice.
Wait,
My lord,
wait.
my lord.
Through police is not done. Through police, IIC kordo, outside service opposite party number through IIC, lease the matter 1 week for 2 weeks for the and the entry order passed earlier shall continue next year. Service should be complete. Otherwise, he will come go and challenge behind my back. It has been done. Therefore, entry order to continue. Let them serve. Thereafter, I'll go quash.
Okay. Because personal notice was served both matrimonial.
All method we should serve.
My
If
lord,
she doesn't come, then I'll quash.
my lord,
Simple. She will not come, obviously.
my lord, my
She
lord.
won't be coming. She is not interested.
Extra copy I'll serve to my
Yes.
friends.
Let us consider the petitioner to supply the extra copy to counsel for the state. Yes.
Entry order to continue. my lord.
Entry order to continue. Yes.
71.
Okay. Thank you. If he withdraws that, he will take interim order and petition. Withdraw means withdraw, everything goes. Yes.
May I pray for leave to agitate all these funds at the time of framing of charge?
The council for the petition seeks to withdraw the petition, reserving his right to agitate the points before the all the points before the court below at appropriate stage. Yes.
72.
Quashing of proceeding on the ground of compromise, my lord.
Ground of
Compromise.
yes. Offenses.
Previously, 376 POCSO, my lord. But 164 statement, my lord, no offense is made out. In the meantime, charge sheet has also been filed.
Charge sheet is the same offenses.
Same offense. Right. IT Act is there.
Yes.
IT Act is there.
No, but see the 164 statement.
Yes.
Of course, he is a teacher. But what is the age of this?
16 it is, but he has, his father has filed an affidavit. Her father has filed an affidavit that she is 18, my lord. Your lordship observed in the previous order that they both have appeared previously.
You see 164 statement. How have you filed for POCSO here? If this is the statement.
No offense is made out.
That's right. Where is 161 statement? Read it. Informants. 161.
In charge sheet, my lord, IT Act is also there. The nude photograph has been seen by the.
I'll issue notice tag with that.
Yes. Another case of 4-4-7. CRLNC 4-4-7 over 2000.
But now you have only 2 cases.
No, 9 cases.
Total 9 cases were.
Total 9 cases. We have made an allegation that
Yeah, reported.
one was that I have I was giving the contempt articles to the accused person. That is one word has been used in the charge sheet, supplementary charge sheet.
If I am not wrong, if I can recollect the
Yes.
fact, 9 cases are registered against you.
Right.
Your wife, you absconded. Your wife gave a letter to the superintendent of police.
Yes.
All are false cases.
Yes.
And superintendent of police, after inquiry, found
Yes.
about 8 cases are false.
Or
8
Right.
cases are false.
Yes.
But in 2 cases, you have been charged sheeted.
Yes.
That is the whole story.
Yes.
And all the 8 cases where you have been exonerated, the allegations are exactly similar word by word.
Yes.
Insofar as the other 2 cases
Other
are.
2 cases. Obliged.
This is what is the long and short.
Yes.
Yes. Issue notice and tag with that
4247.
4247, 73 and 76 also.
76. That good tag.
Sorry. Yes.
Entry mode to continue.
Entry mode to
All the
continue.
cases.
Yes. 74. What happened to these 2 cases? 2 cases where charge sheet has been filed?
Yes. In that 2 cases, charge sheet has been filed. So far,
You are on bail.
No, this is before rollers words. Both the cases before rollers.
Okay. But still you are absconding.
No, I'm there. I'm there, and I'm respecting your lordship's order. Because
No, you have filed for quashing of those 2 cases also.
No, total. Yes.
9 cases and those 2
I'm
cases.
including those 2 cases.
Okay. 74.
No, the lordship can is the last order, Lord.
Hello.
The direction, Lord, to pay the amount.
900.
That will be 2,70,000, Lord. Today I have brought, Lord.
2,70,000.
Yes.
Today I have brought, Lord, 2 lakhs, next 70,000 will be, Lord, within 2 weeks, I will deposit.
ଆଉ 70,000 ରହିଲାଣି next day to କରିବା
2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଦେଲେ
ଦେଲେ 2 ଲକ୍ଷ
You see, he is paying 2 lakhs, he'll pay 70 also.
ଆଉ 70 ଦଉଥିଲା
No, I'll dispose of. If he doesn't give 70, you move application, I'll revive it.
Yes.
That's better.
date may be fixed
No, I'll dispose it. If he doesn't pay, within how much time you?
2 weeks, Lord.
Within 2 weeks, he doesn't pay, then move application, I'll revive it.
Yes, sir.
And then I'll forfeit
I'll
all this.
definitely
2 lakh also you are will be forfeited. You remember? Right now. Petitioner is what is this order? This is a 138.
No, it's a 420 and number 4.
Petitioner is one of the accused in the ICC case number 3004 of 2024, filed by the opposite party for LA's commission of offences. Where is the impure order?
That is at page, Lord, page 20, annex 3,
Commission of offences punishable under section 420/34 IPC. The court of JMFC Bhubaneswar, by the order dated 8/7/2024, had taken cognizance of the offences as mentioned above against the petitioner. Petitioner being agreed by the said order has filed the present petition. When the matter was being heard on the next date of last date of hearing on 15/1/2025, the parties have agreed for a settlement, and the petitioner has agreed to pay 2,70,000 towards full and final settlement. The informant opposite party has also agreed for the said settlement amount. In pursuance thereto, today the petitioner has paid 2 lakh rupees by way of demand draft number so and so drawn in favor of the opposite party number 1. Opposite party number 1.
Only opposite party.
Opposite party. The draft is handed over to the opposite party. Mr. Rautrai, learned counsel for the petitioner on instruction submits that within 2 weeks, the remaining 70,000 rupees shall also be paid to the petitioner, to the opposite party. The undertaking given by the letter counsel for the petitioner is taken on record. the petitioner is directed to make good the entire payment of 70,000 rupees within 2 weeks. 2 weeks मतलब कितने हो कोई?
14 तारीख भीतर हो 14th of
On or before 14th of
on or before
before 14th of February 2025. In view of the aforementioned settlement term, the petition is allowed. The cognizance, impugn cognizance order dated 18, dated 18, no?
8/7/24
8/7/24.
8/7/24
8724 passed by the JMFC bracket O Bhubaneswar in ICC case number 3004 of 2024 is in the next one. In the event the petitioner fails to make good the payment on or before 14th of February, liberty is granted to the opposite party to revive the petition. With this observation, the petition is disposed.
Only against the petitioner it will quash, but the other accuser he is not coming for compounding. Another video is there, but he is not coming. On this petition, next one only petition. Co-petition.
ICC quash who are the petition. Yes.
Sir, I will pay him the draft. I will pay him in the court.
If you pay, he will not come. If you don't pay, he will come. As simple as that.
He will not go to the client. I will pay him.
You either you pay by draft or you pay by cash, whatever. Yes.
75.
Criminal case, my lord, on the ground.
Crossing of?
Criminal case, my lord, on the ground of image, my lord.
Compromise.
Petitioner and opposite party number 2 are the husband and wife. And they have outside the court, they have inflicted their compromise and accordingly.
What are the allegations?
My lord, allegation under section 294, 323, 34, 341, 498A. They have inflicted their compromise and having the application.
Where are they? Where are they?
Allowed, my lord.
Where are they? Are they here?
Here, my lord, 24, my lord. Under
Seen
page
it?
number, in page number 24.
Where is the petitioner and opposite party? Are they?
Opposite on behalf.
I am searching them.
In person.
नहीं आएगा वो डेट यदि फिक्स करिबा ना
के बेकाली for दिन
नहीं आएगा से
Monday
जीओटी बाहर से चेक ठीक आउट डेट
online appearance अच्छे उधर करना
कौन
5th 6th कौन तो
6th रो
6th okay 6th online appearance ठीक है 6th
77.
76 कौन वाला okay
73 and 76 are the same. Let's see in item 77. I am appearing for the opposite party, my lord. Kindly this matter may be taken up next week as per your lordship's conduct.
I don't have any objection. If your lordship stay the proceeding till next week.
Lordship.
Annexure, that is an annexure court, my lord.
What do you
This
see?
matter may be taken up next week, then stay may be granted, but today, your lordship.
Stay shall I grant? You have no objection?
Oh, no, your lordship.
No means you have objection or you
Yes,
don't
yes,
have.
your lordship, I am objecting. Kindly this matter may be taken up next week and on that day. On
Next date, my lord, stay may be there, my lord, because.
When the matter is fixed in before trial court.
My lord, last it was on 28th. And I prayed before the Lord court below. The matter is pending before the honorable court. Your lordship may fix the date.
When the date is fixed?
Date is fixed next week, my lord. Some date. I don't have any knowledge now. I just present.
Okay. At least after 2 weeks on the request of the opposite party. In the meantime, petitioner is at liberty to so and so entered appearance for opposite party and seeks an adjournment to file response to the petition. Release the matter on such and such day. In the meantime, petitioner may move application before the trial court seeking an adjournment owing to the fact that the petition, the matter is sub judice before this court. Yes. Yes.
My lord, stay here.
Yes. You move application for adjournment. Yes.
78.
You move an application for adjournment?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, madam.
May
Matter can be disposed of, my.
employees compensation matter by
I am for the insurance company, that can be disposed of.
Disposed of. We have,
Fine.
yeah, we have collected this.
Corrected.
This is the best thing one can think of.
Right.
Yes. See, have you changed it?
Yes, fine. 15 lakh, 90,360 is reduced to 12 lakhs. I have corrected.
Madam, this is my power for R4. That is missing mine.
R4, huh?
Fine.
Don't want to limit for R4. And Shvokalatnama. Third and disposed of. Okay.
Okay.
79.
I'm
Yes.
appellant. I've been convicted under section 13(2), read with 13(1)(d) and section 7 of Prevention of Corruption Act.
Practice. Case junior engineer. Practice.
So we can list it in the weekly.
As your lordship there.
Weekly also.
As your lordship is pleased, I have no objection.
Weekly hearing matters, na? All are.
Yes, ma'am.
Weekly you koro, and 79, 80 years also like that. 80 years. Weekly. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Mention it.